What's up, everybody? What's going on? What's going on? Welcome back to the night shift. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Hope you guys had a great day. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever it is in the world that you find yourself. I'm glad you find yourself here with me tonight. This lovely Wednesday evening here in the States, Thursday on the other side of the world already. Glad you guys are with us. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. As always, go ahead and start smashing that like button on your way in. Let's get those numbers rolling in. Hope you guys are having a good day. Hope you had a great day. I had a great day. Started off with a great night last night on this stream. Caught some great trades last night and looking to make a little bit of money again tonight. So welcome in, everybody. Already into a little short right here. I'm expecting more sell-off all day long. We were especially into close. We were just making lower highs, lower lows. I'm expecting a little bit of a push down here tonight. I am short biased. I know Trump is about to speak in just a little bit, so I may try to get flat before that happens. Because who knows what's going to come out of that guy's mouth. Typically, anytime he talks, we're either going to get a 300-point candle or an 800-point candle, and I don't want to be in the market. Spreads, liquidity, all that kind of stuff. So we'll either be flat or take a small loss, take a small win here as we head into getting him up and seeing what he has to say. But so glad you guys are here with us tonight. Got a lot to talk about today. A lot of stuff went down in the prop firm world today with the TPT stuff going on. The prop cops, the prop cops did their job, and we I don't know if y'all saw the picture that I put in this morning. This right here, y'all, is what I'm talking about. Did y'all see this? The prop cops, Matt, Neon, and Brad, who do not miss leg day at all. Shorty shorts, massive thighs. Look at those quads, baby. Prop cops, the prop cops were on the job this week. TPT came out and started banning traders for bot trading. There was all kinds of confusion about what was actually going on. People started submitting all of their data and the information that TPT had put out. It became clear based on different things that they had been confusing limit orders with partial fills triggering really quickly for bot trading. And Matt and a couple of other big influencers reached out to him. We're like, hey guys, we think this is what's going on. Y'all should take a look at this and verify with your data providers and your platform providers. And of course they did. TPT, to their credit, reached out, did their own investigation, and lo and behold, they were like, you know what, we were wrong, you guys were right. These were just limit orders that were getting partial filled, and we tagged it as bots, and so my bad. And they're going to reinstitute all of those accounts and all those people that got that they had kicked off earlier this week. So man, great job to the community, great job for TPT for their transparency and for their willingness to be like, hey man, we made a mistake, so happy that all worked out. Matt posted a picture in Discord of them sending an email just saying, hey Matt, thanks so much for reaching out. Thanks for helping us get to the bottom of this. And I know he wasn't the only one. There were other kind of bigger names out there that were reaching out as well with some similar information. And so it was a combined community effort. But I want to credit I think we should give credit where credit is due. And I think the prop cops should get the shout outs here. That picture was insane, man. I loved it. It turned out so nice. So there's just a lot of conflicting information for me right now in the market. ES took out yesterday's high, barely, rejected strongly off of it. NQ could not take out yesterday's high. If you look at the daily time frame here, we're trading it on NQ. Tuesday was an inside day. Wednesday was an inside day of Tuesday. I think we're going to get some movement here Thursday and Friday. I don't think we're just going to stay coiled up. Of course, everybody's kind of on pins and needles wondering what's going to happen with all of this war stuff. Is there going to be a ceasefire? Is there not going to be a ceasefire? There's a lot of posturing going on. Both sides are looking for leverage that they can take to and spin in the public relations realm and try to get leverage over the other. There's just a lot of kind of icky feelings going on. It doesn't look like there's going to be a ceasefire anytime soon. Iran keeps saying we're talking to media. We're not talking to the U.S. We're talking to people that are talking to the U.S., but we haven't had any talks with the U.S., and we're not ready to have a ceasefire unless they're willing to pay us for all the damages they've done. We're going to still control the Strait of Hormuz. In fact, we're probably going to do it in a better way and make more money for ourselves in the process. The U.S. is like, nah, you're not going to control the Strait of Hormuz. You're not going to have nuclear weapons. You're not going to have a missile program, all this stuff. There's 3,000 Marines headed towards Klarg Island. Iran is quickly trying to resupply and resupport Klarg Island, which is the main island in the Strait of Hormuz. There's just, this is not, it doesn't feel like we're anywhere close to getting a ceasefire. I feel like there's another shoe that's going to have to drop for Iran to kind of be like, hey, reality here, we should probably push for a ceasefire sometime soon. But it doesn't look like it doesn't look like they're in a state right now to continue those conversations. So it's just like not feeling good to me. So I'm choosing right now to have a bearish bias, at least for the evening session here. Try to maybe reach down and take out the previous day low. I know we have MHP. This would be where I'm going to take profit. If we get a bounce on MHP, I would look to sell a short again. I don't think it would be a long-lived bounce. NQ's MHP is a little bit lower. It's underneath today's low. So ES would be the first potential bounce point here. So I'll take profit if we get down to MHP on ES, and hopefully we can get there before Trump starts talking. Otherwise, I'll probably just close out my position and let it go. But I'm definitely bearish overall for tonight. I'm going to be looking to sell pops. Now, of course, if Trump comes out and he's like, good news, good news, good news, and this thing jumps, 300 points, I would probably look to short those. Any big news spikes that we get from Trump, I would look to be shorting those as well, because my guess is whatever he says, Iran will immediately come out and be like, the dude's crazy. We're not talking to him. We're not ready. We're ready to fight some more. And if he wants to fight, we're ready to fight. So come on, bring it on. And that's not going to be good for oil. That's not going to be good for the markets. I think he's talking in about 10 minutes. I think he's scheduled to. Now, whether he's actually on time or not, I don't know. But let me get in here, man. I'm running ahead of myself. I need to say good evening to somebody. Fraser, Mr. Benjabon at Flies It Dies, at Burns Trades, Enzo Lorenzo. So glad that you guys are here. Madeline, Kevin, of course, Farina, Duarte Machado, Dave Mack, Adam Daz. What's up, guys? What's up, Naruto, Brett Mitchell, C-Wiz, Saint 909. I am Liquidity. Leslie Paul Farkas, all of you guys, I'm so glad that you're here with us again tonight. Welcome in, Matt Dabrowski, Gabe, Cap C. Jazzin, all of Doodah, man. So glad that you guys are here joining us back on the night shift. If you're new to this stream, my name is Brad. I'm the host of the night shift. We have 3 shows on this channel. The Rocket Scooter Day Trading with Matt channel. We have 3 shows every single day. Matt, of course, the founder of this channel and the inventor of the Rocket Scooter platform, he streams the New York session where he is currently doing a $100K to $1 million challenge on his cash account. I think he's already locked in about $400K profit. and he's up another 100 and I don't know 130 or 140k on top of that. So $500,000 in just a couple of months already. It's been very inspirational to watch him go through the process of building that account, even weathering some pretty nasty drawdown in there a couple times, especially with the flower fiasco. But you should check out his stream. And then our good friend Neon, who is quickly becoming one of my favorite people to watch and listen to talk about the market, streams in the afternoon from 1:30 to market close. And then, of course, I'm here with you every single night on the fastest growing live day trading YouTube channel that there is. So welcome in. Smash that like button on your way in, guys. We're on our way to becoming the most watched evening show on YouTube for day trading futures. And it's really all about the community, and it's about you guys showing up. It's about you supporting the channel. And one of the ways that you can do that is just smashing that like button for us, because it really does help us. 1 month ago, this show did not exist in this time slot. We had never had a stream. Matt had never had a stream at this time, and a lot of our community was asking for it. And man, I got to tell you, the numbers every single week have gotten better and better. We're about to catch the morning show, y'all. We're about to catch the morning show. So I'm super pumped about that. I can't wait to hold the title of most viewed stream and best looking streamer on this channel. Matt's gonna have me by the numbers on the money side, but damn it, we're gonna catch up and take over. We're gonna catch up and take over as the most watched stream on this channel. I know it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. So y'all like it, share it, hit subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're here to make a little money tonight. The only trade that I took last night when I got off stream, this account that you're watching right now, this account right here was at 507. I took a couple small trades on this account just to get it up to the 50% consistency level. This one right here. I just got it up to the 50% consistency level and shut it down. These Lucid Flex 25Ks have a 1250 profit target with 50% consistency. So 625 is the mark you're looking for to be able to pass in 2 days. That's what I'm trying to do. I mean, I'm not necessarily trying to pass in 2 days. I would love to pass in 2 days. And we'll see if we can get there maybe tonight. If not tonight, maybe we can catch a good move. If maybe tomorrow. So all right, coming into the 15-minute candle on this hour is about to close out. We're approaching that MHP level on ES. We're at the bottom of a support and resistance zone here on NQ. Would love to see this thing close out and just continue to, at least NQ, make a run for the previous day low here. ES, I'm just looking for a tap of MHP, and I'll probably shut this thing down. Take some full profits. Let the El Presidente Orange Man say whatever it is he's going to have to say. And then just sit back and then we can reevaluate what the market thinks about all that in just a little bit. So got a little limit order here set. I'm not going to let this thing turn red. If it comes back up to break even, it's probably going to be about the same time Trump comes on. So I'll just cut it loose, take a break even trade, or maybe take a little green if it starts aggressively rallying back up. I'd love to see a little tippy tap here down on MHP would be great as well. So how was you guys' day? What happened? Were you green? Were you red? Did you pass any evals? Were you able to get a payout? Did anybody request a payout at the end of the day today? Were there any breached accounts and fallen soldiers that we need to salute and pause and have a little memorial service for? Put it in the chat. Let me know how your day went. I want to give some GGs and shout outs. 10K payout. Let's go, Madeline. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. You know, I'm real happy with 150K. I'm happy with $150 profit to start off the night shift. I'm going to go ahead and lock that in. I don't want Trump to show up early and blow my profits. I'm going to take and lock that $150 in. GG's, let's go. That's the way to start off the night. Made another 7K today, Madeline. Wow. My liquidity was green till that rally at 1220 put me on red. 300 bucks. RIP one account. No fallen soldiers here, all green. Nothing big though. That's nice. C-Wiz, Dennis has started a new eval, made 2K out of 6K today. Congrats, man. C. Chandler up 490 in one funded. Up 530. That's a nice mistake. Very cool. Oh my God, I had to walk away earlier today because I went on tilt with my 300K account, lost 3K, but I'm still up 10K, which is the furthest I've ever gotten. Congrats. Hey, good job. Wait, hey, look at that. Look at that drop through MHP. I'm telling you guys, this thing's probably going to sell off tonight. Don't be surprised. Listen, I will be buying MHP on NQ. If NQ can get to MHP, I'll be looking to buy this. Of course, watch it get down there right when Trump comes out to start talking. I don't know if I want to take that big of a risk. I'm gonna size down to 3 micros, and I'll just have my button ready on NQ here to click buy if we get there. I'm gonna be watching it. Ryan says, had my first $1,000 winner pre-market, also recognized the bear flag setup and it worked. Great, man. Congrats on that. These are Lucid Flex accounts, Kindle. So I'm trading a Lucid Flex and a Lucid Pro. I have two 25K evaluations. I haven't even touched the Pro account yet. I didn't have much time to really give to the either one of these accounts today. I was happy that I got it up to the consistency, and then I didn't even look at the charts until closer to the end of the trading session just to kind of see what price did. I'm kind of glad I stayed out of it because this chop was just horrible today. I mean, just super choppy all over the place, no real direction. The market's just kind of waiting for the next headline. And I'm not talking about economics, I'm talking about war. They want to know what's going to happen to the oil, what's going to happen to the Strait of Hormuz. Is there going to be a ceasefire? Are we going to keep fighting? That's what this market's waiting on. And in about one more minute, we're supposed to hear from Trump about some stuff. So we'll see. The DD bands for ES are sitting at Tuesday's low, 65.74 and upper 67.07. But that was a nice push through on MHP here. It wouldn't surprise me if we dip lower into this Wednesday low or this 15-minute kind of support resistance block here as well on ES. So I'm gonna watch NQ and see if NQ can pop through the low, yesterday's low, hit MHP and maybe get a bounce up off of there. And man, if this thing rips 400 points off of some Trump tweet or Trump quote, it's just going to be what it is. I would be looking to sell any news pop that comes from Trump here. So I think it's supposed to be at 620 or 720. I think it's at 720. I might be wrong, but I think it was scheduled for 720. So maybe another 30 minutes because that dude's never on time, right, Kevin? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. OMHV says eyeing a $1,000 payout next week. That's fantastic. He's already speaking. Cool. I'm not going to keep it up. I'm just going to watch. I don't care what he has to say, honestly. I'm just going to watch how the market responds to this. Yeah, he's waiting for Trump. Hey, he's waiting for Barron. He's waiting for Barron to give him the thumbs up that he got his buy order in. He's looking at his phone and he's waiting for Melania to say, "Okay, Don, we're all set." Oh my gosh, this guy. Let's see what happens. I'm not interested in trying to get long right here, right now. MHP at ES typically is an every single time play. But we had a massive, like, end of the day sell off. Buyer, anybody that was trying to buy the close is not feeling great right now. And any news like this thing could just tank. Buyers could start selling to cover, and that could accelerate this loss a little bit further. MHP and the Friday weekly open gap. This is why I'm looking at NQ right here. They are about 40 points away from each other, so you know, maybe it's a buy small here, DCA in big at the Friday gap, and see if we can't get a push up off of that. That might be what I'm looking to do here. ADIS, yeah, my dynamic MHP, it's a monthly hedge pressure. That's what MHP stands for, monthly hedge pressure. And it's a line that we put on the chart before the session begins. That Rocket Scooter algorithm basically looks at the maximum gamma exposure to dealer options for SPY and QQQ. And then we correlate that information over. It gets filtered out to where the dealers will be lined up. And those are high volume pivots. You can see on the Rocket Scooter platform, you can see like we have high volume pivots. Every time we get down to here, you can see the volume spikes that come in and around those. Anytime the blue level is weekly hedge pressure, the orange level is monthly hedge pressure. We have resilience tools that tell us how strong those lines would be. If it's below zero, it's likely to break or to be very whippy action, and you can see that's exactly what we got today. But those are put on inside before the session begins. Those are all put up onto the charts, and we're able to identify actionable trading strategies in and around those areas. And so that's what the dynamic MHP is. These are our overnight levels. Of course, we don't have the everything's closed. The New York Stock Exchange is closed, the options market, all that kind of stuff. We don't have that data feed live overnight. It's only during the New York session. And so these are our overnight levels that we use to work with. This little green box, this is my own little green box. It's just a 15-minute area of support and resistance that has played out consistently over the last week or so. That's why I have it on the chart, just to be aware of it. And then we've got Wednesday low, we've got MHP. This box right here, the top of this box, this red line is the gap down last week's Friday, the last print on Friday before we gap down Sunday night. And the bottom of that box is where we gap down to Sunday night. That new week opening gap level is pretty strong as a pivot as well. All right, ES still holding below its MHP level here. I think the market is just going to be kind of chill right now until we get some Trump quotes coming out over the news line. I don't see anything on financial juice coming through yet. Hey, but while we're waiting for Trump, if you guys would please smash that like button. We got a couple hundred people in here watching. Welcome. If you would smash that like button for us, it helps out the channel, and the more likes we get, the more giveaways we can do. Our first giveaway tonight, let me see what our friend Slacks put in the treasure chest for us, our goodie box. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. We got a funded next account in there, and we have a TPT account tonight, which on our new web scoring model that is released beta, the web scoring, the prop scoring website that Matt and his coders and everybody developers have been working on, is released right now in a closed beta release to anybody that's in the Rocket Scooter community inside the Discord. So if you're a member, if you're a paid member of the boot camp, or if you're a paid subscriber to the Rocket Scooter platform, you can get access to the prop scoring website, which goes through and mathematically assigns a score to every rule that an account has at each prop firm. And then the prop firm itself has a mathematical score based on all of those factors as well. TPT is the highest ranked firm in that prop scoring model. And this is not a bias. We don't get paid by TPT. They're not like a partner. They're not like a sponsor of anything. It's purely just informational math inputs. Information comes in, algorithm spits out a number. They just happen to be the highest ranked prop firm on the new website. So we'll have one of those counts to give away tonight if we can get the likes up as well. So appreciate you guys being here. Smash that like button. Let's get it going. We're just chilling right now. I'm not in a position. I've already taken a $150 profit. I took a short right here on this little pullback. We opened to basically right where we closed. We sold off. I was looking for a rip to sell into, and I did. Closed out right before MHP and right before Trump came on. I didn't want to be in a position while Trump is talking right now, so we're just chilling. Beta boys, that's right, beta boys. If you want to be a beta boy, go into the Rocket Scooter Discord and buy the boot camp or sign up for the Rocket Scooter platform, and you too can have access. And we're keeping it a closed beta right now because there's still like bugs and stuff to work out. There's just some things that, you know, the more people that can get in and kind of like push buttons and move sliders and all of the information, we find more and more little things that we need to fix and clean up before we do a full public launch in a week or so. I don't think it's going to take us long, and they're constantly inputting new firms, new accounts. The goal is to have every futures prop firm out there inputted into the system in every account that they offer, and it's updated daily. And if they have a new sell, it's updated in the morning, or as soon as that sell becomes active, it's updated live. You can see how any discounts or sells or rule changes affect the accounts that you like to trade. You might even be able to find an account with a firm that you didn't even know existed that would actually be better for you to be trading based on your budget, based on your pass rate, based on your risk reward model, based on your win rate, your payout rate, all those kinds of things. You can put in your own personal trading profile, and the website will filter accounts and prop firms based on how you like to trade and the current results you're getting. So it's really cool. I've been messing around with it myself. In fact, it's one of the reasons I picked up this pro account. The 25K Lucid Pro account is a really, really good account based on the way I like to trade, and I haven't even touched it until I was like, wait a second, I need to go look at this. And once I started looking at it because of this website, I was like, dang, I should really be focusing more of my attention on these pro accounts more than the flex accounts based on my stats and the way I like to trade. So I think I'm going to be pivoting away from the flex and pivoting into the pro accounts on the Lucid side. Israel Martinez, my max position size would be 10 micros. I can do 20 micros on a 25K Lucid Flex, but typically I'm in at like 3 to 5. And if I feel really strongly about it, like if it's overshooting, I might add in and DCA in to get my my average price a little bit lower and a better. And then, but I'll go up to 10. Did that last night on the stream. Typically, I'm not a DCA guy. Like I typically don't do that very often, but I will occasionally. Played out really nicely last night in my favor. You can also get burned really quickly by doing that as well. So you just gotta be careful and mindful. Do I believe the pro will be more efficient on payouts though? I do, because you only need 3 days in the market at 40% consistency to request your payout, a $250 minimum profit target. So yeah, I mean, you only have to trade 3 days on the, you can pass in 1 day and you trade for 3 days and you can get a payout, versus So that's 4 days. Pass in 1 day, trade for 3, payout. And the day you pass, you can get your funded account immediately as soon as you pass, within 5 minutes. So technically, you could go from evaluation to payout in 3 days with the pro accounts because it's instantaneous. Funded account setup. As soon as you pass, typically within 5 to 10 minutes, if you go into your dashboard, you hit upgrade to live, and that account information is ready to go within a couple minutes. Log back into Tradeovate and fire it up, and you can start trading the very same day that you pass your eval. So you could pass on day 1, upgrade, get your first day of trading of 40% consistency on day 1. So really within 3 days, you could get a payout on the Lucid Pro accounts. Pretty badass. Versus the Flex accounts, 50% consistency on the Flex during the evaluation. So it takes you 2 days to pass, and then before you're eligible for a payout, okay, here's our I don't know if we're getting some news out yet, but we're definitely getting some volatility, some whippy action here. I need to watch NQ. If we get a pop down to MHP, I'd be interested in taking a buy right there off of MHP potentially. Any big rips up tonight, I'm going to be looking for sells. But yeah, back to the Flex. So on the Flex side, it's 2 days to pass, and then you have to trade for 5 days minimum before you can request 50% of your profits. So yeah, the pro accounts are like, you can get, the more days that you have to trade, the more likely you are to blow up. That's why they have minimum payouts, because the more days that they can keep you in the market, the more likely it is for you to be wrong, for you to go on tilt, for you to revenge trade, for you to do all the things that you shouldn't be doing, and not get your payout. So yeah, is anybody friends with Baron? Can we message Baron and ask which way is he buying or selling right now? Where's Baron at? What's he doing? He's got to have some kind of like that dude should set up a signal service. He would make so much money. Baron Trump should set up a signal service. The Baron Trump trade copier, yep. 100%. All right, I know there were some people that were talking a little bit ago. They had some fallen soldiers, and we like to pause every night in the first hour and just remember those accounts that have gone before us. Those little soldiers that followed orders, that went into the market and with bravery and without questioning did exactly what they were told to do. Even if they didn't think it was a good idea, you would never know. They just went in there and they went into battle and they paid the ultimate price and they breached. And we just like to pause. We like to take a moment to salute those fallen soldiers.
They answered the call. When the setup formed, they stepped forward. They took the risk and they held their ground. They executed their orders with courage, without fear, without hesitation, without complaint. They did not chase glory. They served the mission. And today, they have fallen, stopped out, breached, closed at the edge of the margin. But make no mistake, they did their job. They followed the plan. They faced the volatility. They stood in the fire so we can learn. The loss was a teacher. The pain was a warning. This is the fight for discipline, for mastery. And we do not forget those who paid the price. We rise wiser. We continue the mission. The objective remains tomorrow, we trade smarter. We stand stronger. To the accounts that fell in battle, we salute you.
We salute, baby. We salute. Oh, dude. Also, guys. Oh, I'm super excited about this. I finished a new song today that I've been working on. I can't stop listening to it. It might be my new favorite. It wasn't overnight. It's like 1A, 1B for me. 1A, 1B for me right now. I have a new song. We'll play it in a little bit. But I think it might be my new favorite song in the playlist. I hope you guys like it, but I have listened to it. Once I finished it up today, I have listened to it probably 25 times, and every time it just, I don't know, man, it just hits me in the feels just the right way. And I'm not cheating on It Wasn't Overnight. I said it's like 1A, 1B. And it's like just, I don't know, man. Number one, obviously I'm a music lover. I love making music. I love producing music. I love writing lyrics. And I like songs that move me. I like songs that aren't just like, no, yeah, like I made a song for Matt this morning for the Prop Cops. Literally not a good song. He played it because he was like, dude, we need a song. I put it together. It took me about an hour and a half to do the graphic, the song, everything. It's not a great song. It's fun, right? Yeah, it's cool. We'll listen to that one too in just a little bit. It's fun. It's fun, but it's not a great song. I like to make music and I like to write songs that move me and touch me and like inspire me and like, I don't know, just kind of lift my spirits. And this song might be my new favorite. And it might be just right now that it's so new and it is really good. It may just be one of those things that's like, hey, this is the newest, it's the new baby. And so you're like, oh, this is my favorite new baby. And maybe some of that, but I don't think so. There's something about it that I'm just like, it resonates with me. And it may be because some of it resonates with me because of just the message of the song overall and what it means to me as being a day trader and trading futures and the struggle that has taken. It's similar vibes to It Wasn't Overnight, which is kind of it's a loosely based semi-autobiographical story of my journey, inspired by true events, so to speak. This one is another that it's not necessarily like fully like this is my story, but just the message of the song itself, and just the kind of repetitive nature. You'll hear it I think you'll hear it when what I'm talking about when we play it in a minute. But it is, I don't know, man. It just hits me in the feels, just super strong. So if y'all want to hear it, we will do the world premiere of Sir Darb's new song. I gotta turn it up. I'm not gonna talk over it. I want y'all to hear it, so I'm not gonna talk over it, okay? But it's called I'm Still Here.
Yeah. You ever sit there? Know exactly why it happened. Still do it anyway. Yeah. Blew it again, I ain't say a word. Stared at the number like, nah, that's absurd. Knew what I did, yeah, I knew what it cost. Knew I regretted the second it's lost. No one to blame, I can't shift that truth. Just me and the proof, yeah, me and the proof. Said I'll fix it, I done said that before. That's what it is, yeah, that's what it's for. That's the part that'll mess with your head. Not the losses, the lies you said. They say you done, I'm still here. Said he won't last, I'm still here. Seen this before, I'm still here. I'll live that, I'm still here. They say you done, I'm still here. Said he won't last, I'm still here. Seen this before, I'm still here. I'll live that, I'm still here. Next day woke up, didn't feel that drive. Almost shut it down like I tried. Hovered on the edge like what this proved. All that time spent just to lose. And not that same loop, not that same regret, not that same version I ain't be yet. So I slowed it down, yeah, I cut that size. Had to learn control, had to kill that pride. Every loss now got a lesson in it. Every move got intention in it. They say you done, I'm still here. Said he won't last, I'm still here. Seen this before, I'm still here. I'll live that, I'm still here. They say you done, I'm still here. Said he won't last, I'm still here. Seen this before, I'm still here. I'll live that, I'm still here. It wasn't the market, it was me. Every time I broke my rules, every time I knew better and didn't do better. That was me. But I didn't leave. They said you done. They say you done. I'm still here. Said he won't last. I'm still here. Seen this before. I'm still here. I'll live that. I'm still here. They say you done. I'm still here. Said he won't last. I'm still here. Seen this before. I'm still here. I'll live that. I'm still here. I'm still here. After all that noise, after all that doubt, I'm still here. I'm still here.
Woo! Oh man, dude. That song, it's so much a part of like my personal journey of like, they said you're done, I'm still here, right? They said it's not gonna last, I'm still here. Like everything that we've gone through as day traders to be here. And we can all, if you're here right now, you blew up an account tonight, you're still getting green, you're still passing evals, you're still buying, you're still going through the boot camp, you are still here, baby. I'm still here, damn it. They said it wouldn't last, I'm still here. Ah, gosh, I've listened to that song like 20 times today. I took Remy on a walk when I got home from work and I just listened to it on repeat. And I was just like, oh, there's just something about those lyrics, the groove, the drums, like the whole, just the repeating, I'm still here, I'm still here. Some of you in the chat right now, you need to say that to yourself. You need to be reminded, you're still here. You're still here. I'm still here, baby. I ain't going anywhere. The only way that I can lose this game is if I freaking quit and give up. And that ain't gonna happen. I'm still here. It's on the playlist. It's on the playlist. It's at the bottom of the playlist right now. If you want to listen to it, you can go and listen to it on the playlist at your convenience. I'll post the playlist in the chat. There you go. There's the Suno playlist that has all the songs that we listen to here on the night shift. But yeah, dude, that is quickly becoming It's like 1A, 1B with It Wasn't Overnight. Y'all don't give up, man. Don't give up. It doesn't matter what people in your life are saying. It ain't gonna last. It ain't gonna work. You're done. Don't listen. Keep going. Keep working. Keep grinding. Keep grinding. I know it makes you want to cry. Like, I listened to that and I never like got like weepy, but it just did something inside of me just to remind myself. It was just a message for whatever reason. That message today for me just like freaking slapped. And it was just like, I'm still, Brad, you're still here. I'm still here doing this thing. And just, I don't know, dude. It just turned out so well. I had fun writing the lyrics. The lyrics are raw. If you go back and listen to it, there's a lot going on in the lyrics there. And then just the way the bridge breaks down into this guy just saying it wasn't the market. It was me. And I knew what I needed to do and I still didn't. And when I didn't do what I knew what I needed to do, that was me. But I didn't leave and I'm freaking still here. So, man, I hope you guys liked it. It's definitely one of my faves. It's definitely one of my faves. All right, we're starting to get the volatility coming in. We're starting to get a little volume picking up. Trump's on the podium. He's talking. I was hoping we just took out Wednesday's low on NQ, but we haven't gotten to take out Wednesday's low on ES. I'm gonna wait and just let him finish whatever it is that he's still talking about. If we do get a quick drop to MHP, I might look to buy. Of course, if we get a really large good news candle, I'll probably look to sell that quickly as well. I'm just gonna sit on my hands until he gets done. You guys like it? You guys like it? I didn't see what the chat was saying. More songs with heart, yeah. Makes you want to cry. Oh, man, it hits me in all the feels. It hits me just the right way. It reminds me that I'm more than your P&L. You're more than your blown accounts. That's right, I am liquidity. You are not your P&L. You are not the evals that you've purchased. You're not the payouts that you request. You are more than that. Just keep showing up. Spencer says those two plus the Tuckin' song really do you in. Yeah, man, they're great. Busted Trade says you're one of the real ones. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. What's up, Sons of Wall Street? Welcome in. Brad, yes, I add the daily low and highs. They're not part of Rocket Scooter. I put those in for myself. I just like to see, you know, where that stuff is. There's typically liquidity, you know, resting above and below those old lows and highs from the daily levels. You're not the sum total of your actions. Yeah, well, I mean, yes, you may have taken the actions. The point of that song is that even though sometimes you know what you're supposed to do and you don't do it, right? It's in life, in all things. It's just a discipline thing. You know, I need to get up and I need to exercise, but you don't. Or I know I shouldn't eat this Snickers bar. I should have an apple instead, but you don't. Like, but specifically when it comes to trading, it's like all of us struggle with the mental aspect of trading. All of us deal with the amygdala hijack that comes in, and we find ourselves doing things that we know we shouldn't be doing. And we just sit there and stare blankly at the screen, and we're like, why did I just do that? And after time, you get beat up. And after time, people in your life that know what you're doing, they're like, you still haven't had success? You're still not making money at this? Why are you doing this? Just give up. Just quit. What the heck? Like, this isn't working. Are you dumb? And, you know, you get all of that outside criticism plus your own criticism of yourself, the lies that you tell. That's one of the lines in there, is like the lies that we tell ourselves. But the hook of the song is just like, you hear all that, but I'm still here. I'm dealing with all that, but I'm still here. And presence is huge. Showing up is huge. Not giving up is huge. Farina says eviction notice taped to the door like a stop loss is the greatest lyric ever. So I would agree with you. I agree with you, Farina. That is probably the most favorite lyric I've ever written. That's a really, really, really strong lyric. A great metaphor, great picture of life and trading all mixed into one. Revan says it's so easy to identify with your trading and beat yourself up when you're on a losing streak. Yeah, it is, man. It totally is. Free says, "What am I, Brad? What do you mean? What are you? You are the best mod that Rocket Scooter community has. I don't know, maybe not. I don't know. I can't say that. I can't point out favorites." I have this one thing that I'm really bad at, but so many other things that I'm awesome at. But the thing I'm bad at is so present that sometimes I'll let it define me. Yeah, I mean, we all have that. We all have those things. The internal criticism is far stronger and harsher than the external criticism for me. Yeah, I mean, we all typically are harder on ourselves than a lot of people, especially when we know what to do and we just don't do it. And we end up feeling the same pain and dealing with the same pain that we've dealt with before over and over again. Yep. We all know it's true that Farina's the best. I'm not trying to get into any positions right now with Trump talking. Just ask to be in a position right now for me would just be asking for pain, and there's literally no way to know what he's about to say. And he could say one thing, and the market could shoot 200 points one direction, and then 2 minutes later contradict himself and say the opposite thing, and the market could whip 200 points in the other direction. He has a habit of saying, we're going to bomb him back into the dark ages. We can, and we would, but we also may not. So, you know, it's the classic Trump hedge. So you just got to be careful right now. Slacks, yeah, just like Slacks on Discord. Slacks is truly the MVP of the Rocket Scooter team, no doubt. I don't think anybody would argue. That guy does so much to keep us on track. You're one MES long just to catch any pump. Nice. I mean, just have your stop loss set. The nice thing about the prop firms, the prop firm world is when we're trading these evals, like right now we're trading these evals, you can set a limit order, and a lot of times, you know, like in a cash account, if it flies through your limit order, you get filled at a really bad price. But because these are simulated trading environments, a lot of times they just honor whatever your limit order is, whatever your stop is. If it goes past that, you just get tagged out. So that's kind of one of the nice things about the paper trading. Guys, get those likes up. We need 50 more likes to do our first giveaway. We're only at 153. Our first giveaway will get triggered when we get to 200 likes. So let's get those likes up. Let's get it going. We'll be doing a funded next 25K rapid account giveaway if we can get up to 200 likes. So if you would please just continue to support that channel, to support this channel, smash that like button for us. So, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe as well. What's a stop? It's that thing that we should all be using more of. John, the first account today will be a funded next 25K rapid account if we get to 200 likes. And then if we get to 300 likes, we have a TPT 50K. One of the highest ranked accounts on the new prop scoring website model, math model that we have in the beta closed session right now. The TPT accounts are some of the highest ranked accounts. So we have one of those to give away tonight. I'm super excited about that. But we need, let's see, we need about 30 more likes to trigger that first giveaway. I'm not looking to, I want to sell any big pops that we get here. Back above MHP on ES. I want to look to sell any pops that we get here. I don't, whatever Trump says, whatever good news that the market thinks it is, Iran is going to come out after he talks. And they're going to deny or exactly, like, just completely contradict it, whatever he says. So the war's still going on. Iran is shoring up Karg Island, which is that island in the middle of the Strait of Hormuz. They're reinforcing it, getting ready for a possible marine invasion. That's not going to be good. John says, Brad, can you give advice on how to deal when we are in drawdown in a funded account? How to deal with it is don't try to make it all back in one trade. You just need to trade your plan and trade your system. The entries and executions, your system is what will get you back out of drawdown. That's why, that's literally what edge is. You have to trust your edge over time to work in your favor. So it may mean that you need to size down and let your edge play out over time. If you truly have edge in the market, if you truly have edge when you're trading, then you need to take those entries and executions exactly the same way, whether you were at break even or whether you had a big buffer already, whatever it is, just trade the same way. You can't worry about the P&L. You have to worry about executing your trade, and you need to, the only thing that you need to focus on is your position sizing when you're in drawdown. You don't want to go too big and just revenge trade and try to make it all back. You need to probably, what I do, and this is not financial advice, I'm not telling you that you should do this, I'm saying what I do. Typically when I'm in drawdown, I will lower my position size and just look for A+ setups, and then just try to get it back up to at least break even on the account before I move my position size up back to a normal position size. So many times when we get into drawdown, we just try to claw it all back immediately. We get mad. We have to be right. We have to be certain. We can't be wrong. We're not okay with being wrong. And so we try to revenge trade and immediately get back into trades that aren't ideal setups. We go too big on the position size, and then a little drawdown becomes a lot of drawdown, if not a blown account. So Trump sounding like more fighting means Iran will give up sooner. I mean, I don't know how that could be positive for the market. We're going to keep fighting, we're going to put boots on the ground. We're going to keep dropping missiles so that they'll give up quicker. I mean, what incentive do they have to give up now? What is it in their favor to give up now? It'd be hard to, I mean, the regime hasn't changed. The hardliners are still in control. The extremist dictatorship is still there, right? So it doesn't look like, I mean, if the total goal is just to get rid of all of their nuclear material, how do you even know they won't hide more? I don't know. It just seems like a big mess without a clear, decisive way to finish this thing. And I guess Trump thinks overwhelming force and eventually taking out major like energy infrastructure, like power plants, water plants, that kind of stuff that would really send the country reeling. Maybe enough damage that the people could do their own kind of uprising, so to speak. There's just no clear path forward here. So it appears like there's going to be more fighting, and more fighting means not great news, in my opinion. I don't know why the market would rally on, hey, we're going to keep fighting. It's gonna hurt energy prices. It's gonna hurt inflation. Everything's gonna get touched by this the longer it goes. And even if the market is over it, and Jinka, like the market might be over it, but the market's not bullish. The underlying economic data right now is like we're on the edge of a recession, it feels like. So even if this thing, if we don't get good news to push this higher, the economy itself is not going to push this thing higher. You might get a small relief rally, but the underlying economic data isn't great right now. Yeah, Zill, there's no sense behind any of it, man. There's no sense behind any of it. I am anti-war. In general, war sucks. Let's not do that anymore. Let's not do that anymore. All right, 1 hour in. 1 hour in, and we have 188 likes. Guys, we need 12 more likes. We're pretty close. I'm going to go ahead and get my wheel of names ready. We can get 12 more likes. We'll trigger our first giveaway, okay? So if you guys would do me a favor, smash that like button. There's been nothing come through Financial Juice yet about anything of an import so far. Lucky Tina Casino, you can't find the song? The one that we just played? The I'm Still Here song? Is that the one you're talking about? You were anti-war until Taylor Swift said she wouldn't release any new music until the war ends, so bomb away. Jay Wood's not a Swiftie. Taylor said no new music until the war ends, so he's like, put boots on the ground. That's hilarious. It's in the Suno playlist. It's at the very bottom of the Suno playlist. The Wix song is not in the playlist. No, that's on the Discord. You can go to the song submission channel in Discord to find the Wick Tickler song that Mike Hawksmall wrote. And I'm Liquidity wrote one as well for it. Prop Cops should be the code. Yeah, we'll probably use Prop Cops. In fact, we need to play the Prop Cops song. We'll play it after the theme song finishes here. We'll play Prop Cops. It's not a great song. I put it in the playlist just because I wrote it and I keep adding my songs to it. It's not a great song. It's okay. It is whatever it is, you know. I did not spend too much time on it. I just don't feel like this thing is just gonna be super bullish here. I feel like taking a sell. If Trump wasn't talking, I would be selling this retrace. If Trump wasn't talking, I would be in sells right now, but I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna get into I'm not gonna do anything unless we get massive spikes. I'm gonna sit on my hands until he's done talking. All right, here's the Here's the Prop Cops song that I wrote today when I put that picture in.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's just meh. I don't think this feels strong at all.
Yeah, kick the door on a payout delay. So why you ghosting day to day? Consistency rule looking kinda strange. 40% cap, you explain that range. Trailing drawdown moving funny too. Wait, it resets now doesn't who? We got questions and a clipboard ready. Y'all been changing rules like confetti. Yeah, we read that fine print twice. Hidden clauses not so nice. Yeah, we audit every firm. Make them play by the terms. Short shorts, boots, and badges on.
Short boots.
Yeah, the truth comes out. What's that rule about?
The next house song, I'm about halfway through with it.
Deep to the payout there.
Still working on lyrics.
Still stuck on request. 5 payouts cap, that's kinda wild. We see that clause, yeah, it's compiled. Max size 3, okay, that's fine. But why you shifting rules midline? Evil cheap, but the fine print loud. We break it down for the whole damn crowd. Yeah, we got that flashlight beam shining through your back.
All right, guys, type it in. We got over 200 likes. Thank you so much for hitting that like button. Type in Prop Cop. We're doing a giveaway. We're going to do a Fund the Next 25K Rapid account. Type in Prop Cop in the chat. If you want your name in the drawing for a Fund the Next 25K Rapid account, type in Prop Cop right now. Let's go.
Step away from the terms and conditions. Why is this in size 6 font? And why does it contradict page 3? You said instant funding. We said define instant. You said no rules change. We pull receipts.
Why is this in 6-point font?
Keep the firms in line.
Step away from the terms and conditions, sir. All right, type it in, guys. You got about 1 more minute. 1 more minute, and then we'll spin the wheel. 1 more minute. Edge never sleeps. Let's go.
Lights low, world goes quiet. Different clocks, perfect timing. No noise.
If you're just joining the stream, we're doing a giveaway for a Fund the Next 25K Rapid account. Thank you guys for jumping in here. If you would smash that like button, type in Prop Cop into chat, where the bot will pick you up, and we'll spin the wheel here in just a minute for a Funded Next 25K Rapid account.
The truth, hold the line, let it breathe. There's an edge you cannot see. Edge never sleeps. Edge never sleeps. Rocket scooter underneath. Edge
Still nothing on financial juice is coming out at all. Is he still yapping? I haven't been watching. I don't know. This is Lucas's favorite song. It's a good one. I like this. It's really nice. Borders, borders, borders. Not saying much. Okay. Sarah McLachlan, old trance remixes. Guys, you only have to type it in one time. If you type it in about 500 times, the mods will slow you down. All right. All right. Let me grab all the names here. All right, we got our wheel up. Freaking A, man.
The edge is there. If you wait for it.
Let me grab all the names. You can stop typing. Your name has been copied over. You can stop typing in the code word. We've got 188 entries here. So your name is in the list or it's not. So here we go. We're going to shuffle it up. Again, we're giving away a Funded Next 25K Rapid account. These are really, really great accounts. They're very much like the Lucid Flex Pros. So it's 1 day to pass, 40% consistency. So you can go from eval to payout in 4 days. Really, really nice accounts. I traded the crap out of these accounts back in the fall when they first came out. But yeah, so we're going to shuffle it up. I'm going to spin the wheel. Good luck. Melta. Congrats, Melta. K9Y. Melta, type something in chat. You are the winner. Let me know if you're here. Rigged. Nice. All right, Melta. Melta, you are the winner of a Funded Next 25K Rapid account. Here's how to claim your prize. Listen up. You are going to go... Let me turn the music down. Hold on. You're going to go into the description of this video, and you're going to find the link to our Discord. Go into the contest channel in Discord, and you're going to find our admin, a guy named Slacks. And you're going to send him a message, let him know that you are the winner of the Funded Next account on Brad's stream. Send him a screenshot of your YouTube ID, and you're going to need to have an email set up with Funded Next that he'll just kind of make sure everything is kosher. There's not any tricky, funny business going on. And he'll hook you up with your account. So congratulations. Hope you enjoy that account. As always, come back. Let us know how it turned out for you. We always want to know how these eval account, these free accounts that we keep giving out. We always love to hear kind of the outcome of them and what the community thinks about them. So congrats, guys. Keep smashing that like button. We do have a TPT 50K account to give away if we get to 300 likes. So let's get those likes up. We got about 60 more to go, and we will do another giveaway. But right now, we're just kind of chilling out, waiting for El Presidente Trumpo to quit yapping, getting a little run, a little bull run up here, a little bid. Getting a little bit up here. I'm assuming he's probably talking about the war at this point. Tony B, I like both of them. It just depends on, so they trade in correlation. I was actually looking to take a trade off of NQ tonight, a micro off of MHP.
it contradict page?
The MHP level for ES was above where the NQ level was, and that's why it kind of paused to where it did. I'm not leaning bullish overall. I am still leaning bearish. I'm going to wait for Papa Trump to finish talking, and then we're going to see. We're approaching the Asia session open here. Just crossed it on NQ. Anybody can participate in the giveaway. We haven't stopped anyone for participating in the giveaway. So we give you a couple minutes to type in the code word, and then we grab everybody's name, and then we spin the wheel. So everyone has a chance to participate. Coming up on HP here on NQ. Is anybody gambling right now with this Trump talking? Anybody gambling with longs, just thinking that there's going to be good news? I'm hearing the door close out there. Liquidity says, Mr. Brad, I got something for you in the Discord, trying to make a song for each of our streamers, and yours is done first. Let's go. All right.
You ever sit there?
I like it. I like it.
Know exactly why it happened.
All right. Let me pull it up. This is Kyle's song. Liquidity wrote a new song for me and my new stream. So thank you so much. Let's listen. I got to turn up the volume. Hold on. All right. Called 7 to 10. Still talking about borders?
Everyone else rushing, Brad just waits. Coffee in a lone stomach. Watching those rates.
Forex made easy. We've already discussed this. Everyone is allowed to participate in the giveaway. If you came in late, I can't do anything about that. There'll be another giveaway if we get to 300 likes, and you can get into the next one. Nice groove. I like it. This is a great vibe. I like the chill.
YouTube chat calling him the hottest stream, laughing while he marks those zones. Church gig in the morning, tracks in the evening, beats bouncing out his headphones. Earning the bands on the screen like rails, wrist tight, heart steady and slow.
Let's go, Hitcha.
As I'm learning is right.
GG's, baby.
We ride together when it grows. Yeah. Shirt off on the night shift, 7 to 10. Blue light glow. Family man quietly learning the game. Same charts that we all know.
I love it.
Night shift consistency over ego. He just shows up, candle by candle. Boot camp king with a Texas calm holding trade.
Dang, son of Wall Street, 9K. Woo! Yeah, you nailed it on this one, man. You nailed it on this one. Dude, well done, dude. Well, that was great. Thank you for doing that, man. I think that might be my first, like, that might be my first song submission that was about like me and the show, you know? Like we've had other ones that people put in like Wick Tickler and stuff, but like specifically about the show, I mean, that means a lot. Thank you for doing that. All right. What a beautiful night. Coming up to HP normally, somebody was asking about what would be the percent, what would be the normal play as you approach HP from below. Because price opened in between, typically it's a, not, if you get a really strong like push up through it, you might be able to take the bounce off of that. My experience is when they open in between, it sets itself up for more kind of choppy session overall. And both of them have opened up in between tonight, right in the middle of HP and MHP. So again, while Trump is talking, I'm not looking to get into a position unless we get a super big spiky, like 300 point candle. I don't know. I'm still leaning bearish overall on this. The market likes Trump to give it good news. It pumps a little, and then we still this high up here, this Monday high up here is from his original tweet on Monday morning before the market opened, and we haven't gotten anywhere close to it. We have just been consolidating inside of the big Monday pump. Inside of the big Monday pump is where we're just sitting around right now. So, and then we had another pump yesterday, and we've been trading inside of that. So it's like big news, smaller news. What's he going to say now that's going to convince the market that we should just be on a big bull rally right here? We've put in lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. I mean, it appears that everything is just going to keep fighting. So don't be surprised if he says things are moving along. We're going to get this done sooner rather than later. And then literally his next sentence will be, but maybe not, maybe not. Maybe we're going to have to bomb the crap out of him and put boots on the ground. Like, this is the way this guy talks. So unless he's announcing an official ceasefire, any pop up, I'm going to be looking to try to sell off of. That's just me. Not financial advice. 300 likes, we'll do a TPT 50K giveaway. TPT 50K giveaway. Smash that like button, guys. Already got one locked. I've already locked in one small winner tonight. I'm very happy about that. And until this guy stops yapping, I don't have an interest in pushing a button. Hey, y'all. Tomorrow is a big day. Y'all want to know what tomorrow is? Tomorrow is March 26th. March 26th. March 26th. What's up, Trey? What's going on, buddy? March 26th. It's birthday for Lady Darb. It's birthday for Lady Darb. It is opening day. It's birthday for Lady Darb. And it's my favorite day of the year, because if she wasn't born, my life would not be anywhere near as enjoyable as it is right now. If she happens to come down and bring me some dinner tonight, chat, you're gonna have to give her some flowers. You're gonna have to wish her happy birthday, because tomorrow night, on her birthday, you know what she's doing on her birthday tomorrow night? She's teaching a hot Pilates class on her birthday tomorrow night. I don't even get to take her out on her birthday, because she's going to be teaching a hot Pilates class, which quite honestly is next to hanging out with me is probably her most happy place on the planet, is teaching Pilates in a hot room. Get those $200,000 flowers from Matt. I'll have to get Matt to send over $200K worth of flowers. He probably still has some of those things if he didn't burn them. But yeah, tomorrow it's going to be a big night. I'll be on the stream. She'll be teaching. I'm taking the day off of work tomorrow, and I'm just going to hang out with her. And then, so my son's birthday is 2 days later. Next week, or on Saturday, I guess, is my son's birthday. And we're all going to get together. We have several birthdays to celebrate. So, but I'm going to take her out Friday night. We're going to have a good time Friday night. We're going to go and have a nice dinner out, really nice fancy dinner out, and, you know, celebrate the right way. I don't know what we're going to do. She gets to pick. It's her birthday. She can pick whatever she wants for lunch tomorrow. But we'll be out and about. But yeah, I don't know if she's listening or in the chat. She usually is. She probably saw everyone saying pre-happy birthday. So, but if she comes down and she gets on stream, y'all are gonna have to hook her up. So I don't know. I'm getting kind of hungry and I could use some food, but nah, it's the birthday's tomorrow. Yeah, birthday's tomorrow. And she gets better looking every year. I don't know how she does it, but damn, she is fine. Smoke show. Smoke show. All right, we're still getting a little pumpage here. No pullback. Is he done talking yet? Get a room? I got one. Uh-oh. Look who it is! Look who it is! Come on in. Yeah, you heard me? Here, sit down.
No, I don't want to sit down.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
How is this bringing dinner? What's that? What's up? How's it going?
It's going good, yeah. Trump's talking, we're just waiting for him to get done, and I told everybody it was your birthday tomorrow.
I heard. Yeah.
Look, they're all saying happy birthday. Happy
Where do
birthday.
I look? I don't know where to look. Oh, you guys. Y'all are the best. Oh.
They wanted to know where you're wanting to go to lunch tomorrow.
Ooh. I want a steak. I need a steak.
For lunch?
Why not?
Okay.
Yeah. Your husband is the best. Thanks for sharing him with us. Aww.
Look at all the flowers.
Oh my gosh. You guys. 27th birthday.
25. Yeah, no, it's 25, guys. She'll be 25 tomorrow.
I have children that are older than that, so that should tell you something.
We started young.
Not that I wasn't 11.
Little bit. I think the first time that we were out and about and she was pregnant,
Oh.
people probably thought she was like 12 years old.
100%.
Cougar. Look, Kevin says 35 is his guess. So
I'll take 35.
35 is good.
I'll take 35.
Your mom was 12 when she had you? No way, Trey.
No way.
Pilates is paying off. Heck yeah, it is.
Everybody should be doing it. Go do it. I'm trying to get this guy.
Nope. I'll do regular Pilates. I can't do the hot room. I can't do the hot room. It's too much.
And she still became a doctor. Trey. That's what I wanted to be.
You still could be. I'm starving. Where's the food?
Okay, I don't know. Shelby's supposed to bring it down. All right, bye, you guys. So good to see you.
All right.
One of us will bring you something.
Thank you. Oh, sorry. I love you. You look amazing. Oh my God. She came down. She's like, I heard you talking. Can you take a video when he does? What are you talking about? When I do, oh, when I do the Pilates? Dude, the hot room Pilates, y'all, is no joke. It's so hard. You hear Pilates and you're like, oh, it's Pilates. It's like I'm just gonna be like stretching and you're like, you know, moving my body around a little bit. That's what you think. That's what you think. And then you get in that room and suddenly you feel like you're in hell. It's not easy at all. It's one of the most difficult workouts that I have ever tried to do in my entire life. And I grew up athlete. I played sports all the way through high school, college. I'm used to working out. I'm used to like that kind of stuff. That was the hardest thing I've ever done, is try to do a Pilates class in the hot room. It's miserable. I thought I was gonna die. I'm not being dramatic. Look, she's in chat. Dramatic. I'm not being dramatic. I literally saw my life flash before my eyes. I had to go leave the room, go lay outside on the floor, and just give myself last rites. What's up, Boomer Trader? How you doing? Good morning, PNY. Welcome in. It kicked your old ass. It kicked mine too. I thought I was gonna pass away. There was so much sweat underneath my mat when I was finished. Oh my Lord. Phoenix, you're right. I am a lucky man, dude. It's like 109 in those rooms, C-Wiz. It's like 109. Oh. Is Trump done yet? I want to push the sell button, but I'm not going to do it until he's done. Who wants a big booty? How did you know she was the one? Bash is live. If you haven't heard this story, I'll give you the rundown, the very quick story. It was love at first sight. I saw her from the back of a room. She walked in the room. I saw her. I was on stage setting up with my band. I saw her walk in the back of the room. I turned to the guy next to me and I was like, I just saw the woman I'm going to marry. That's how I knew. I knew as soon as I saw her, I knew she was the one. I asked her to marry me 2 weeks later. She said yes. She didn't even know my last name. And we got married 6 months later. And now here we are. We just passed 29 years in December, 4 kids, 2 grandkids. I mean, if you saw her in the back of the room, you would have tried to wife her up too. She's freaking beautiful. See you, Pam. Thanks for being here, man. I told the full story. Like the first week we were streaming, I told the full story. It's kind of involved. Yeah, she's got the ban hammer too in here, so you got to be careful. She'll ban you if you're not nice. Yeah, it's an incredible story. It absolutely is an incredible story. Is your price moving? Like, is the price moving? Like, I feel like we've been stuck at this price. Okay, it is actually moving, but barely. I thought something was wrong with my trading view there for a second. But yeah, it's a very cool story, and just almost unbelievable at times. And maybe I'll tell it again when we have a lot of time to kill. I love telling it, but it takes a while. It's pretty involved. There's a lot of cool details. But yeah, love at first sight. Engaged in 2 weeks, married in 6 months. Just celebrated 29 years. Will you play the position song from Discord? Yeah, we can play it. Let me go find it. Rogue of the Lamb has a new one. I gotta listen to Rogue's. I'll listen to that one next. The position song. What is it called? I don't see one called Positions. Oh, Positions Open from Jake from State Farm? Is that it? Okay, here it is.
Screens up.
Boomer Trader says to the same friend, my wife and said that we would marry each other after second date. We didn't know we said that to the mutual friend until a year later, 46 years ago. That's fantastic. I love that. Naruto says you and I have the exact story, but we're 29 years in June. Fantastic. Daily Manna, it was at a youth camp, not at church. Which it was like a church camp, but it was youth camp in the summer. Kevin says, come on, get the likes up, people. Yeah, we need 24 more likes, and it will trigger our next giveaway. 24 more likes, and we'll trigger our next giveaway, which is a TPT 50K account. She has 2 brothers, no sisters. I'm working on it, man. I can't. I don't. The only person who can like tell me to go make a song right now is my boss, Matt. When he's like, hey, Sir Darb, I need a song. I'm like, on it. And then he gets one, and it's not the greatest one. It's just a one. But your order filled one is it's in the works. I've got a couple ahead of it, Adam, but it's coming. It's coming. What do I think about the current in queue right now? I'm waiting for Trump to stop talking so that I can push the sell button. I would prefer to be selling these rips. I mean, you could be long off of this and long off of HP. I don't have a long bias at the moment. I mean, I could be wrong, absolutely wrong. My bias right now is currently is bearish. Will I adopt you? I'm all full up on kids right now, and I have 2 grandkids, so I think I'm good on that. This is a good tune. I want to play Rogues next. Rogue has one that I saw that came in today. Pressure Pond Dim. I don't know what Pressure Pond Dim means, but it's a cool graphic. Rogue, if you're in here, what does Pressure Pond Dim mean? 15 more likes, guys. Let's go. 15 more likes. We're so close. Nah, I know you're just joking, man. It's all good. This is the beautiful thing about chat, dude. We like to give each other a hard time. You got 2 great grandkids? Holy crap, man. Doodah with the winning the age badge tonight, man. Pressure upon them, maybe. What's up? What the heck? How you doing, man? Pondim, dirty rude boy ting. I don't know, maybe. Pressure upon them, like pressure upon them. Maybe that's what it is. You're 59 with a 2-year-old? Woo! Bro, I could not imagine starting over right now at 50 with a brand new toddler. Ugh. 55. I don't think I'm gonna have any great grandkids in the next 5 years. My two grandkids are just now 9 months and 6 months. They better not be having any babies when I'm 55. I'm not really liking the choppy zone that we've been in since Monday after Trump's tweet. I am bearish overall right now. I don't think, unless there's an official ceasefire announced, I don't think we're gonna get a lot of good news. I'm waiting for this guy to stop talking so that I can try. I don't want to be in a position until he's done. I don't want to take any kind of sell or buy until he's done talking. Good tune. All right, I'm gonna listen to Rogue's song. I love Rogue stuff.
Yeah. Rocket scooter. Darb pressure. Wheel spin. Move. Hey. Watch how the level shift. Pressurize man, the whole place lit. Dipping at the zone, no counterfeit.
That's nice.
Know when the market twist. Pressure upon them. Pressure upon them.
There you go. Pressure upon them.
Pressure upon them. Pressure upon them. Rocket scooter make the whole place bend. Pressure upon them. Pressure upon them.
Oh, dude, kids. I always describe kids as like, when you have kids, there's this hole in the back of your neck that shows up, and your kids have a custom fit straw that just plugs perfectly into the back of your neck, and they just suck the life out of you. Just the facts, the best facts, only facts. This is the best history of the facts that we're talking about. We just talk about facts. It's all we talk about is facts. Just the facts. Son of Walter, you're not married? I highly recommend. If you can find the right woman, I highly recommend.
Pressurize man, the whole place lit. Deep in the zone, no counterfeit. Real ones know when the market twist. Pressure upon them. Pressure upon them.
I like this. Rogue of the Lamb with another banger. He was negotiating with the chatbot. That may not be too far away from the truth. Could you imagine like him waking up, going to his like chief of staff and being like, all right, I've been on my phone all night, I got it worked out, and it was actually a Claude bot. Too young to get married? How old are you, son of Wall Street? None of my girls trade, no. Marriage in this era is like diamonds. Is it? PNYX4 says, Pony X4 says, can you give me suggestions how to be disciplined for everything? I mean, that's kind of a big topic, isn't it? Everything? Maybe let's whittle it down to just one or two things first. 6 more likes, guys. We're so close. I really want to give you this TPT 50K account. I really want to give you this 50K TPT account. Good job, Rogue. Great song. Oh. Hey, what's up, Piggy? You got dinner? Thanks. You want to say hi? Come on in, say hi. Look, we have another special guest with us. You got to bend down. There you go. You can talk. You don't just have to wave. Like,
Hi.
they can hear you.
Hey, guys.
Say, what's up, Piggy?
Okay.
Thank you for the spaghetti.
I was making Mom's birthday banner.
You're making Mom a birthday banner?
Yeah, she's having her Pilates birthday class tomorrow. So I'm gonna go film it for her, and I made her a banner.
That's so nice of you.
Well, she asked me to.
Oh, okay. It was a special request.
Yes.
All right. Well, she deserves it.
She does. She's the best.
All right. Well, thank you for dinner.
Of course.
Say bye. Say bye to chat.
Bye, chat.
Thanks, bud. Look at this. At the same time, Kevin throwing in a boot camp. Kevin throwing in a boot camp donation. Thank you, Kevin. Matt's going to match that times 3 through that. There's 4 boot camps to give away. And we just crossed 310 likes. We got boot camps to give away. We got a TPT 50K account to give away. And we're still going to go for our 400 like streak. We got to keep it going too. It just says this family has good genes. No, that is my that was my youngest daughter. She's 22. That is not my wife. Her nickname is Piggy. Lady Darb, yep. She is Lady Darb's mini-me. 100%. Y'all be nice and better talk about her nice or Lady Darb will kick you out. She is beautiful, isn't she? Yeah, here come everybody's like, what's her number? What's her Insta? She's the youngest of 4. She's the baby. And she milks it for all it's worth. Don't let her fool you. Don't let those cute looks fool you. She can work it. Can you put up an age poll for chat? Like you want to know how old chat is? She got her driver's license. I did teach her to drive, yeah. I've taught all my kids how to drive. Yeah, she does look just like her mom. They get Lady Darb gets mistook for her older sister all the time when they're out. All right, I need, what keyword should we use? How about, let's see if we can do, will this work? Let me see if this is too long.
Waited all day, now it's my time. Half gaps here, I'm claiming what's mine. No stop loss blues.
All right, I got the keyword. I'm gonna put it in chat. Here's the keyword. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to Lady Darb. Type in happy birthday. Oh, there's Rogue. His stream was delayed. Type in happy birthday for Lady Darb. That's the keyword. Type in happy birthday. Happy birthday. One word altogether. We're celebrating Lady Darb's birthday tomorrow. She won't be here on the stream though, so we're saying happy birthday tonight. Happy birthday. Let's see, you got 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. We're giving away a 50K TPT account. TPT is the top ranked prop firm on the new prop scoring website that has just been released in beta to all of the Rocket Scooter community. So if you're in the Rocket Scooter Discord as a bootcamp member, or if you're a subscriber to the Rocket Scooter platform tools, you can get access to the beta, the closed beta. Trump's done? All right. That's nice. All right. Trump's done talking. What did he say? Anything about the war? Did he not say anything about the war?
You turn my loss into grace. Yeah, you steady my hands. You clear my mind. Oh,
I'm clicking sell. I said as soon as he was done, I was hitting the sell button, and I'm going to stick to my guns. Click and sell here. What was I saying? Oh yeah, the brand new prop scoring website. Sorry, I got a little distracted. The brand new prop scoring website just came out. It's beta, closed beta version, and they are the top ranked prop firm on the new mathematical scoring model. They come out on top, and their accounts score the highest. So we're giving away a TPT 50K account, and good news on the TPT front. I don't know if you guys have been paying attention to all the TPT news, but they came out over the weekend and they started banning a lot of traders for bot trading because so many trades were being executed within milliseconds of each other, and that's something that it's against their terms and conditions. And so they just were like, you know what, we're dumping all of these traders, and there was a lot of uproar in the community about it. And people started giving some of the bigger influencers, like Matt specifically, some of their data, and we were able to parse together that it was just the way that limit orders were getting partially filled, and there wasn't actually bot trading happening. Reached out to TPT. They were like, hey guys, really think you should take a look at this. Matt has posted this on X and in the Discord, just some screenshots of his communications with them. And they were like, dude, Matt, thank you so much for bringing this to our attention. We looked at all of it, and you're right. This was an inaccurate report, and we're going to reinstate all of those traders that got banned because they were not bot trading, and we need to fix our back-end system. So kudos to Matt and some of the other influencers who were crucial in helping get that kind of squared away, but also big kudos to TPT. Big kudos to TPT for stepping up, recognizing that their back-end models were not accurate, and they're gonna make adjustments to account for that. So I think that's awesome. I really do. So big kudos to them. All right. Let me get the wheel of names up over here. Wheel of names is up. Let me dump all these old names. Delete. All right, I'm gonna grab all of the new names here. We got 201. 201. I got all the names. You can stop typing. That's all the names right there. No more entries. The entries are closed. You can stop typing happy birthday. Happy birthday to Lady Darb tomorrow. That was the key word. It's her birthday, and we're celebrating it on the stream tonight. So, all right. Shuffling it up here. Good luck, guys. I'm going to spin the wheel. TPT 50K account incoming. Let's go. Praise it! Wow, let's go, baby! Ring! Ring! All right, Praise. Good job, buddy. I'm not even gonna screenshot that. That is so awesome. I'm glad to see you win, buddy. I'm glad to see you win. Congratulations, Fraser. Insider trading. That's hilarious. I know, dude. That's the second one. That's the second one. I'm pumped for you. Congrats, dude. Congrats. You know how to claim your prize. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. At the same time, we're playing the Matt's Doing a Giveaway song. So very, very fortuitous indeed. Very fortuitous indeed. And we're not done with our giveaways. We're not done with our giveaways. Our good friend Kevin has donated a boot camp. I haven't seen Drops in here tonight either. Where's Drops at? Is he gardening? Is he out there playing with his pickles? I haven't seen Drops come in tonight. Kevin, thank you for donating a boot camp. If we get to 400 likes, I will match that and I will give away 4 more. So we'll do 8. We will do 8 Rocket Scooter boot camp giveaways if we get to 400 likes. So we're at 325 right now. We've got 75 more to go, and we've got about an hour left in the stream-ish. Got about an hour left. You guys smash that like button. Let's get it working. Let's get it going. It's Sir Darb doing a giveaway. I need a Sir Darb's doing a giveaway song. I wrote that one for Matt, and it's just in the playlist. It randomly comes up, you know. Oh, let's go, Seclusion. Here we go. We're starting the boot camp train. Seclusion, thank you for your donation. That's another boot camp donated to the community from another member of our chat. Thank you so much, Seclusion. That's 4 more. So there's 8 between Kevin and Seclusion. And if we get to 400 likes, I'll add 4 more to it. Every night this week, guys, Sunday night, we gave away 26 boot camps. Monday night, we gave away 20 boot camps. Last night, we gave away 28 more boot camps last night. And Fraser! Oh my god! Here we go! This is what freaking happens. Giving back since I won tonight. Thank you, Fraser. There's a 3rd boot camp. That's 12 boot camps from the community. If we get to 400, I'll add 4 more. Keep that 400 like streak going, and we'll get up to 16 boot camps. We've given away almost 100 boot camps just this week. If you've been on the stream, you've heard me talk about this boot camp. It's some of the best trading education that I've ever been a part of. And people in the chat just keep donating boot camps to complete strangers that have not taken it because it's been so good for them and it's helped their trading out so much. They want other people to experience it, and that's why these guys keep donating boot camps every single night we're on the stream. We've already had 3 donations. That's 12 boot camps right there. And if we get to 400, which we're 70 likes away, if we get to 400, I'll add 4 more in there. So Kevin says the boot camp is a mind blower. It really is. That's why you called me the boot camp king in the song. I am beginning to become the boot camp king, for sure. Without a doubt, I think we have given away more boot camps on the night shift than the other streams have combined. Just this week for sure, but probably in the last month, I think we've given away several hundred boot camps. And I'm not trying to just exaggerate. Like we've already tonight, we might pass 100 boot camps, and we still have a whole nother night to go. What is this banger? Liquidity Lightning. You like that? 98 SR20 Debt says, Matt acknowledged your stream is almost surpassing him. Congrats to you, Brad. I know, dude. I'm telling you. Watch out, Matt. Night shift's coming for the views, baby. Last night, like the last 2 nights, we've had like 5,500, 5,600 views. And Matt's been averaging like between 6.5 and 7.5. So we're about 1,000 views right now behind him. But we're growing and we're gonna get there, man. In a month from now, we might catch up to him or pass him 1 month from now. That's my goal. Do a pay increase soon. Matt's very generous. Oh God, here we go. ST909. ST909. Come on, y'all. Oh my gosh. There's number 4. Four more boot camps. That's 16 from the community. Oh God, y'all are amazing. Y'all are absolutely amazing. That's so incredible. Thank you so much, Saint 909. He donated 2 last night, I think, and he's donating another one tonight. So thank you so much for doing that. That's 16 accounts, 16 boot camps. I know, man. I'm telling you, people want others. They want you to take this education, and it's only $20. So if you don't win one of the boot camps, I tell people it's $20. It's worth 100 times that, at least. It really is. You learn you don't just learn about day trading. You do learn about day trading. You learn about position sizing and trade management, but you learn all about the Rocket Scooter platform as well and how to use it to find edge. I wish I had found it 2 or 3 years ago. I would have gotten my edge so much faster than I did. I found it last year. It took me from break even, slightly profitable, to the most profitability I've ever had in my trading career over the last 9 months. It definitely was the game changer for me, and these people that keep donating boot camps, they understand what kind of a game changer it's been for them too. So I Am Liquidity says, let me get a payout, I'll donate another boot camp. Spent my boot camp fund last night. Tony says, I need to rewatch the boot camp. Well, dude, I've rewatched it like 3 times, Tony. Where do we get the information for your boot camp? So, I'm going to wait and see if we get to 400 likes before we do the boot camp drawing, because if we get to 400 likes, I will add 4 more to it. We're at 345 right now, and the more likes we get, the more stuff we can give away. So I'm just gonna hang on just for a minute, but if you just hang out on the stream for a little bit, we'll do the giveaway as soon as we get to 400 likes. I'm blown away every night by the generosity of this Rocket Scooter community. There's not another stream, and there's not another family of traders that support each other like the Rocket Scooter community does. It's overwhelming to be a part of this. It truly is. Thank you guys so much for your support. Smash that like button. Come on, Trey. Let's go, baby. Somebody said the boot camp added to my win percentage bigly. Huge. Yeah. I don't think you're alone in that, man. I think a lot of people have had the same experience, my friend. Let's get those likes up and we'll give away 20 accounts, all right? It's not going to be long. It's not going to be long before almost everyone in the chat has won a free boot camp. That's how many we keep giving away. It's crazy, man. Stick around. We're here every night. And if you trade the New York session, you need to watch Matt's stream on this channel in the morning. He's doing a $100K to $1 million challenge on his own live cash real brokerage account. He's already made about $500,000 in the last 2 months on that account. $500,000, 500,000. Headshot. What is happening? Oh my gosh, y'all. My name is Brad. It's not Matt. Matt is the founder of this channel. He streams in the morning. Neon streams in the afternoon. And I'm Brad. I stream in the evening here every single night. Yeah, this is one of the few communities that's not just degen gambling. We're not just selling fake education. This is legit, actual, real trading education. It's not trend lines. It's not EMAs. It's actual real life. This is how the market moves. These are where dealers are actually sitting in the market. These are where the market makers are actually looking to get in and move. That's what these high volume pivot levels are. Skeletor, I'm short right now. And it's only $20. I promise you, you're gonna be shocked. I think I can't say promise. I get in trouble when I say the word promise. I really think you're gonna be shocked. After you take the boot camp, if you have to buy, like let's say you don't win one tonight and you spend $20, you're gonna be shocked that it was $20. It's gonna blow you away. The amount of content that's in there. Like you need to go and read some of the reviews, man. These traders that have taken this have left hundreds of reviews about this course. It really is fantastic. I wish I had found it 2 years ago when I started trading futures. We have another donation tonight from Hitcha. So that's now 20. That's now 20 boot camps from the community donated to the rest of chat, the rest of the stream tonight. That's 20, and then if we get to 400, I will add 4 more to it, and that will take us up to 24. Every single night this week, we had 26 boot camps Sunday night. We had 20 boot camps Monday. We had 28 last night. We're already up to 20 tonight, and it may be 24 if we get to 400 likes. So, my gosh, y'all. What a family, man. What a freaking family this is. I love it. Somebody says, I wish I found it 8 years ago. Would have saved me well over 7 figures. Yeah. Tony says we have 358 likes and viewers. That's unheard of. Yeah, we've had 3,000 people already join the stream tonight. We've already had 3,000 people join the stream, and 359 of them have hit the like button. So keep smashing that like button, guys. If you're just joining the stream, welcome to the night shift. This is the fastest growing day trading YouTube channel in the Asia session right now, soon to be the #1 most watched live day trading channel during this time segment. We're on our way to be #1. We're only a month in. We've only been doing this show for 1 month. 1 month. In 1 month, we've gone from 0 viewers to almost passing the morning show. We've almost passed up Matt. We're gonna catch him here pretty soon. I think in another month we catch him, if not pass him. That's my goal. Pass Matt. How freaking awesome would that be, man? Skeletor says, do you think if we lose 340, we keep heading down? So I think if we could close back inside this kind of consolidation support resistance green block that I have marked up on the chart, I'm definitely leaning more bearish. I don't think there's really anything super positive to really push this market higher. I wanted to sell up here above HP, but Trump was still talking. As soon as he stopped talking, I pushed the sell button. He didn't give us any more good news about the war, and Iran has been adamant that they're open to having a ceasefire, but they have some pretty insane requirements to happen before they would consider a ceasefire. They're gearing up for a land invasion on Karg Island in the Strait of Hormuz, We have over 3,000 Marines headed that way right now. I just feel like, I talked about this earlier in the stream tonight, I just feel like, and it's totally discretionary feeling, that there needs to be another shoe drop before the Iranian people in control really want to have a ceasefire communication. I don't think that they feel like right now that they have to have a ceasefire. Like, they're not begging for it to stop, if you know what I mean. Like, they're like, hey, you're fighting us, we're gonna fight back. And I think Trump is feeling it more. I think Trump is feeling more pressure about this than the Iranians are feeling pressure to get a ceasefire negotiated. I think Trump is starting to feel pressure within the United States about this is bad for the market, it's bad for energy, it's bad for oil. People are not happy. The only reason we're not any lower than we are right now is because Trump has tweeted multiple times that this is close to being over. And every time he said that, it's been a political smoke show. It's been him posturing for leverage. And it hasn't been true. So that's the only thing that has held up the market from the war right now, is Trump saying this thing's about to be over. So, you know, that's kind of why I'm leaning bearish here. He just got done talking, didn't say anything positive about the war. Obviously, he can get on Truth Social at any minute and drop a tweet, and this thing could rocket 300 points. Of course it can. But barring any big headline, good news headline information, I still think we head lower. We're in a downtrend. We've been in a downtrend since the war has started. Nothing has changed that. We just keep making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower high. This was the Monday. This was the Monday. Hey, we've had productive talks with the Iranians, and the Iranians were like, no, we haven't talked at all. So, and then again, was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday it was like, we're about to announce a ceasefire, and the Iranians were like, no, we're not. We haven't talked at all. So that's why I say political smoke show. Everybody's fighting for leverage. I would lean more bearish than anything. Unless we get an actual ceasefire, actual ceasefire announced, this thing is going to want to trail off, in my opinion. So I'm hopeful we can get another push down here. At least back down into like the 320 level. I think that would be really nice. I don't know that we get back down to Wednesday's low or MHP again. I'd like to see that, but this is MNQ, the micro. This is the micro contract on NQ. So it's the MNQ. It's the June contract that we're trading here. 30 more likes, guys. Well done. Just 30 more. 30 more likes, and we'll do our 24 bootcamp giveaway. And my throat is getting sore. I'm getting excited tonight. I've been getting excited all week. I get passionate about this, man. I get passionate about trading. I get passionate about hanging out with you guys. I get so pumped when the community steps up and the generosity that you guys show. Oh, dude, it pumps me up, dude. Power Skills says I just blew 4 accounts. Man, I'm so sorry about that, dude. I Am Liquidity says we're still digesting this huge 900-point candle from Monday. I think if we close that up in a controlled drift lower, I might turn bullish down there. Yeah, I mean, I think this thing still has a few days left of, you know, I still think the war, the rest of this week. So all of the big news, if you've been paying attention to the news cycle, most of the really big scary news has been over the weekends when the market's closed, and then Monday, right before the market opens, Trump tries to do something to downplay all of the bad stuff that happened when the market was closed over the weekend. So it feels like this is probably gonna do kind of the same vibe again, where we get through, you know, the rest of this week plays out, we just kind of drift lower. Something bad happens or gets announced over the weekend, but the market's closed, can't do anything about it. And then right before Monday comes around and everything starts pumping and there's a big gap down on Sunday night, Monday morning, Trump wakes up and says, hey, we had more productive talks with the Iranians after we blew up all of their power plants. Happy to announce a ceasefire beginning at noon today, you know, stuff like that. So I really feel like the rest of this week we kind of drift lower here, unless we get a real life true ceasefire announcement. I don't have a stop set on the chart. I have a stop of where I know I would get out, but I don't have a stop set. If there's a Trump tweet, obviously I would get blasted, but I just have a visual. I have a visual. I know visually I'm going to get out of this. So got a nice little drop here. I like that. I'd like to see some closure back down into the middle of this range. Every click's another sin. 24 more likes, guys. I appreciate you guys being here and supporting the channel tonight. Thank you so much for doing that. If you would, please smash the like button. We're about to give away 24 rocket scooter boot camps as soon as we get to 400 likes. We have a new streak going of shows with 400 likes in a row. We started it last week. We had a 10-day streak of 400 likes, and then that got broken. And we started a new one last Thursday. I think it was either Wednesday or Thursday last week. We started a new 400 like streak, and we've had one going all week this week. So we need 15 more now, and we'll get that 400 like streak going, and we can do our giveaway, our next giveaway. I like that we're making new lower lows. We put in a lower high. We're making new lower lows here. This 15-minute little zone right here, you can see it's had a lot of, it's acted as both support and resistance multiple times since last week. That's why I have it on my chart right here. Oops, sorry about that. It's not part of the rocket scooter like strategy. It's just a strategy that I like to be aware of. There is definitely, you know, this area price has decided is an important area, and I want to be aware of it. Holy mother! Kevin, what is happening? Kevin! Oh my gosh, dude. Kevin dropped 3 more boot camp donations. That's 12 more boot camps donated to the community tonight. So we were at 20. Now we're at 32. Holy crap, Kevin. Thank you, bud. Holy crap. You get a boot camp. You get a boot camp. You get a boot camp. Holy crap. All right. That's 32 boot camps that have been donated to the community. If we get 10 more likes on the stream, that'll get us to 400. I will add 4 to that. I will add 4 boot camps if we get 10 more likes. That will get us to 36 boot camps tonight. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is crazy. I promise you, most people watching this stream are going to have a free boot camp given to them. I'm going to run out of people to give these to. I'm going to have to donate them to Matt because everyone's going to already have one. Holy crap, y'all. That is so generous. 4 more likes. I'll turn my fan back on. I'm getting hot in here. 4 more likes, and we'll get to 400. And I need to reset my keyword. My keyword is going to be boot camp because we want everyone to know that the giveaway is for a boot camp and not a funded account. All right, 2 more likes, guys. I'm going to go ahead and do it. You guys type in if you would like to be in the running for a boot camp, a free Rocket Scooter 20-day boot camp. The keyword is boot camp. Type in boot camp. We have 36, 402. Let's go, guys. Thank you so much. We have 36 boot camps that we're going to give away tonight. That's incredible. Thank you guys so much for doing that. It's amazing. I'm not going to let this trade turn red. If it comes back up to my entry, I'm going to close it out at break even. I'm not going to let it turn red. I would wait. If it wants to close me out and run a higher high, I'll sell it from a higher high. Congratulations to all of the future winners. Type in the word boot camp. 36 of you guys. 36 of you are going to win a boot camp tonight. We have 40 people that have registered, so that's almost 1-to-1 so far. Almost 1-to-1 of you are going to win a boot camp. Almost 1-to-1. So I'm going to give you another minute to type in. I'm sure we'll get a few more people in there. I'm sure we'll get a few more people in there that want to try to get it. This, Pata Pata Tata, I can't even know what your name is, but you're probably going to get one, man. The chances that you win are higher than the chances that you lose tonight. Holy crap. 36 more boot camps. Yeah, this is a great song. I love this song. Uh-oh, there you go again, making money. All right, let's see. We're about to get a new grab here. Let me see how many have registered. 55. All right, we're giving away 36 boot camps. There's currently 55 people registered, so you have better than a 1 in 2 chance of winning right now. What's ES doing? About the same thing. Choppy, choppy. I kind of want to hold for lower prices, but I also am kind of happy with an extra $100 in my pocket. 20 seconds, guys. 20 more seconds, and then we will pull all the names. 20 seconds. We're giving away 36 boot camps. The chat has been on fire tonight. We've had so many donations from so many people. I'm blown away by how many, the generosity of this community. All right, there we go. 62. All right, I'm grabbing all the names. You can stop typing boot camp. The boot camp is over. All right, no more entrants. All the entrants are in. I am going to, where is my chat GPT? Give me a new chat. I get so mad at that when it does. Stop. Oh my. All right, you can stop typing boot camp. Mods, you can delete all the new boot camps. We don't need anybody else knowing we're okay. The boot camp is over. The boot camp drawing is over. I've got all the names. I'm putting in all the names right here. These are all the names for the boot camp. They're all in here. There were 55 names, okay? And actually less than that because I can take out Rocket Scooter. All right. Let me get a prompt up here. Please select 36 random names from the list below to win a rocket scooter boot camp and give me an awesome script to announce the winners. Here we go. Good luck, guys. There were 55 people. There were 55 people. Or no, 60. There were 60 something people. So you have almost a 1 in 2 chance of winning this right now. All right. I'm going to read it out. Boot Camp Bonanza. 36 winners pulled from the chaos. The wheel spun, the universe blinked, and somewhere between discipline and destiny, 36 names just got upgraded. Let's roll it out like it deserves. Your 36 Rocket Scooter Boot Camp winners are Pony X4, Lakshit Baha, M. Kagi, D. Pony Ill, FSD Nederland, Drup TV, Brick 863, Seth Sieb, In Maldonado, Lucky Mon, Brian H, Z Winak, Armando Rodriguez, Samantha McClure, DJJ Global, 98SR20 Det, Fernando Diaz, Tech Consultant, Marvin Segovia, Russell Singh, 807-458, Slothy Plays, Zinni Share US, Chica Polanco, Nehemiah DeRosier, Breezy Scalps, NDIC1, Pata Patata, Chris Sind, Nat 3 Cuts, Jimmy Scott, LSG, Anduan, Manu, Janice Mendiola, and Rabcraft. Let's go! Look at my trade. Look at my trade. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. GG's. I'm happy with that. GG's. All right, chat, lock in, because what just happened, this wasn't random. This was selection pressure. We just pulled 36 names out of the noise, out of the grind, out of the late nights, staring at charts, wondering if it's ever going to click, and tonight it just did. Listen, if you heard your name, you didn't just win a giveaway. You just got handed a weapon. A shortcut? Nope. A cheat code? Not even close. You got something better. A system, a structure, a shot. This is where excuses go to die. This is where almost profitable becomes consistent execution. This is where the story flips from I think I can do this to I don't go back anymore. Here's how to claim your boot camp. Listen up. You're going to head to the Rocket Scooter Discord. You can find the link to our Discord in the description of this video. You're going to go to the contest channel in our Discord. You're going to find our MVP VIP Legend admin Slacks. You're going to send him a message with a screenshot of your YouTube ID. Let him know that you won the boot camp tonight. That's your golden ticket. And for everyone else in here, if your name didn't get called tonight, good, because that means your chapter isn't luck-based. It's built brick by brick, trade by trade, decision by decision, and when it hits, it won't feel like a giveaway. It'll feel like inevitability. So let's get to work. Congratulations. Here you go, Slacks. Let me see if I can get them all on here. There you go. There's a screenshot of all 36 winners. Let's go. Let's go. All right, congratulations, guys. We just gave away 36 boot camps, and you can thank all of the wonderful Rocket Scooter people, chat members, mods that have donated boot camps tonight. They want you to experience how good this education is. So nice exit. Yeah, I'm a wick tickler. You know this, Spencer. Spencer, you know this. I am a wick tickler. This is my job. So thank you for all the donations. Thank you for your support of this channel. Thank you for support of this show. Holy crap, we just gave away, let's see, this week alone, let's do the math. Let's do the math. This week alone, We gave away 26 Sunday night. We gave away 20 Monday. We gave away 28 last night, and we gave away 36 tonight. 110 boot camps we have given away, and we still have one more night to go. Unfreaking believable, you guys. And we got our 400 like streak. We got our 400 like streak. I'm super happy about that. Dude, if we get another pop up here, I'm going to sell this again. I'm a wick tickler. Welcome to the Rocket Cadet, Janice Mendiola. Thanks so much. Slacks is going to be a busy boy handing out all of these boot camps tonight. He's going to earn his sleep when this show's over. 6 a.m. coffee cold, charts already low. Emotions at the door, but why I can't message Slacks in private? It's not letting me. I don't know. Maybe send him a friend request first in the Discord. Maybe you have to send him a friend request. You can also put your message inside the contest channel and just tag him at Slacks. You can just tag him and then he'll help you out there. But yeah, this chat is awesome, Armando. This chat is awesome. You are going to be wicked smart, man. I promise you. I think you're going to really like it. I think you're going to really like it. Man, look at this, dude. This has just been another great trading session on the Asia stream, man. And I'm not done yet. I'm not done yet, guys. I'm not done yet. We might be able to snatch a little bit more off of this. Drops is in the house. Is he here? I haven't seen Drops. Slack said he ain't doing nothing till he gets a raise. Drops, you missed all the giveaways, man. We gave away 36 boot camps tonight, dude. Were you here for that? Were you playing with your pickles? I think you must have been out gardening and playing with your pickles. 36 freaking boot camps tonight, Drops. Oh, you were here? You were here? All right. You were just lurking in the background. I see how it is. I closed my short. I did. I closed it on this wick right here. I closed it. I'm a wick tickler. That's my nickname. Look. See that? That's where I closed it, on the wick. Y'all don't believe me. Did it live on stream right in front of your face. Lies. Talking to your fiance, not your girlfriend, your fiance. Come on, let's get it right now. You don't have a girlfriend, you have a fiance. You're still holding the short? Good luck, buddy. I can't give you trading advice. I'm still bearish overall, but Brad, are you going to stream till the Tokyo close session? When does Tokyo close? What time is that? What's the Eastern? When does the Tokyo session close Eastern time zone? I definitely don't mind staying on longer. If things are moving and the chat's cooking and we're you know, our views are staying up, I'll stay on a little bit longer. Second late wife lasted 20 years. They never achieved. Oh my God. Tony, oh wait. The Tokyo session, it opens at 8 o'clock Eastern, right? Yeah, but when does it close? When does the Tokyo close? It's sometime in the middle of the night, right? London starts around 2, but Tokyo's open a couple hours after that, isn't it? It's like 4 in the morning, right? Tokyo closes at like 4 in the morning ish, something like that. InCan says got a new 50K flex account with Lucid by thank you for the awesome discount. Yeah, absolutely, man. If you guys use the Rocket Scooter code, look at this crap, man. Say 909 dropping another one. Oh my gosh. Let's go. That is insane, man. Say 909 with another giveaway. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. It's like 2 a.m. Yeah, I'm not staying up till 2 a.m. Eastern. I definitely will not stay up till the London session. Unless it means I can get more viewers than Matt. Maybe I will. I'll cheat the system. I'll just stay on longer. All right. Say 909 just donated another boot camp. So we have 4 more boot camps to give away. All right. How do we want to do this? Do we want to pull? Do we want to do a whole new pull? Do we want to do a whole new keyword and do that again? Yeah, we probably should. Only because we just got rid of 36 of those people. So let's start capturing again. Type in boot camp. We're going to do 4 more boot camps, guys. If you didn't win just a minute ago, you have another opportunity to win one of 4 more. I'm going to give you a couple minutes to type it in, and then we'll spin the wheel for all 4 of them. As long as there's no more donations, we'll spin the wheel. Drops. There you go, Bootcamp baby. I see your name. Dude, chat, tell me another stream. Show me another stream on YouTube, day trading future stream, that does this, that their community does this for other people in their community. It doesn't exist. I will put this chat and this community up against any others. It's the best out there. It's the best out there. None. You're right. See, it doesn't exist. There are no other communities that are doing this right now. You've never seen so many giveaways. I know. That's why you are the champ. Hey man, I love growing this community. I love growing this show. I love seeing more and more viewers show up every night. New viewers show up every night. The night shift, baby. It's where we're at. It's where the party is. Skeller says, Brad, you're the best, my friend. I hope Matt appreciates. Matt certainly appreciates. And not just he doesn't appreciate. It's not that he appreciates me. He just appreciates. He appreciates the way this community supports itself. I just happen to be the one sitting behind the or in front of the camera, keeping the show going. You know what I mean? I'm just sitting here keeping the show going. You guys are the ones that are doing all this. I'm not doing anything. I push play on the playlist. I get into a trade every now and then we just chill and have fun. We wish Lady Darb a happy birthday. I'm just hanging out with you guys. That's all I'm doing. I'm not doing anything special. Skelver says you're a great host and entertainment, fun, and educational. Thanks, man. I take pride. Oh, music's too loud. I take pride in my job. I want to do a good job. I take pride in trying to. So you're saying you're overpaid? I mean, no, I didn't say that, Boomer. Oh gosh. Pro-Yo Man doesn't like our music. Armando Rodriguez, you can get to the Discord. There's a link to our Discord in the description of the video. So just go down to the description in this video and you can find a link to the Discord. Underpaid, hype for Sir Darb Rays. Let's go. I ain't gonna argue about that. Skelter says, I don't have time to watch Matt. I do my full-time job, so it's a great way to watch you and trade little. That's cool, man. The music isn't for everybody. I get it. It's not their thing. But since it's my show and I'm a musician and I'm a music producer and an audio engineer, I'm going to play me music, bro. You must be getting big since the trolls are coming out. Yeah. All right, man. If a sign of growth is trolls show up, bring them on, baby. They don't bother me. Well, I play, so my main instrument is keys, piano. I taught myself how to play all of my instruments. But I learned on piano first, taught myself piano when I was started learning in the 5th, 6th grade, and it just kind of blossomed from there. Taught myself how to play guitar, play bass guitar. I can get behind the drums a little bit. I'm not a drummer. I have a son that's an incredible drummer. But I am not I can get behind and keep a beat, but I'm not a good drummer. But I can I'm very good on the piano. I'm decent on guitar and I'm decent on bass. And I'm very good at lyric writing, songwriting, music producing, mastering, mixing, all that kind of stuff. That's what my degree's in. We just buy the trolls boot camps and convert them. That's how we do it. The trolls show up and they think they're gonna troll us, and then they win a boot camp, and then they're like, oh my god, I'm so sorry, I didn't know what I was doing. That's hilarious. That's so funny. Jay Wood says, Brad keeps hitting the jackpot. Lady Darb, best looking streamer in Rocket Scooter, tickler of Wix. And now the community is starting a the community is starting a petition for a pay raise. Matt, if you're watching, I did not put them up to that. Why don't you guys take trades? Bro, do you see this? Do you see this right above my head? Do you see this right above my head? Look, my friend, you have to be here. I took this short here and got out at the wick here. I don't know why it doesn't have my first short in here. Oh, it was on ES. Look, ES. This was my first one. Shorted here, got out here. You just have to be here and watch. I don't just push a button because the market's moving. I wait for my edge, and I wait just like Neon does. He doesn't just push a button. He waits for his trade setup because we have edge in the market. That's why, that's what trading is. If you're just pushing a button, you're gambling. There's no other way around it. We're not gamblers. We're traders. We're not, this isn't a casino, man. There's plenty of other streams on YouTube right now that you can go, if you just need if you need someone to tell you to push a button, you can go, there's plenty of other YouTube streams on here. If you want to learn how to trade and watch good discipline and good entry, good execution, good setups, and you want to hang out with some of the best freaking traders in the world, this is the community. But if you just want someone to push a button, there's all kinds of gurus out there that'll take your money and convince you just to push the button every time that you see a big candle show up. I've taken 2 trades tonight. I'm 2 for 2, and I'm up $300 trading 3 micros. And I'm about to pass another funded account. I'll pass an eval to get another funded account. Like, everyone else rushing, Brad just waits. First line of my song. There you go. See, I just wait. Patience is on point. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You have 50 unpublished songs drops on Suno AI songs, or like just your own like original songs. What are you talking about? I hope that guy will stick around. I really do. I mean, I get it. Like, they want to pop in and they want to be like, they think whoever is streaming should be in a trade all the time. And that's not how trading works. If you watch this stream, I don't know how much you're going to trade when you watch this stream. But the goal is that you become a better trader because you watch the stream. That's the goal. That's why we're here. To help the community, to demonstrate what good trading looks like. Sometimes we're going to take 2 or 3 trades a night. Some nights we may not take a trade at all. And that's okay. Not trading is trading. Just waiting for your edge to show up is the name of the game. Oh, you actually written music on a sheet music? No way, dude. What do you play? I didn't know you were a musician. That's cool, man. What do you play? Skydoc says, do you teach your setups that you're looking for? I absolutely do. So if I see a trade setup, I tell everyone exactly what I'm looking for and what the setups are. So for me, I'm looking to take trades off of these high volume pivots, the weekly hedge pressure, the monthly hedge pressure. And for me, I will take trades in and around those levels, especially like previous day lows. I was bearish all night. If you've been watching the stream all night long from the beginning of the show, I said I'm bearish. I was waiting for Trump to stop. The whole time Trump was talking, we were just getting this slow grind up. He finally stopped talking and I clicked the sell button. I've been waiting to sell any pops all night long. Preferably, it was right after a rejection. It broke under HP, and we got in at the rejection of HP, hedge pressure, and sold it off. And I closed out on that wick. That bottom of that wick is where I got out. You played piano, guitar, bass, guitar, drums. Oh, sweet, dude. Dude, I had no idea. That's so cool, man. I knew that you were a brother from another mother. I knew it. Musicians unite, baby. Let's go. I love that. I want to play my new song again. Is it okay if I play my new song again for y'all? Carlos Vile says, okay, so if I understand you, you buy when Trump starts talking, then you sell any pop, so you expect fake pumps, but not fake dumps. Fake dumps is funny. That's just, I don't know why that made me laugh. But in the current environment right now, I laid out my case for why I'm overall leaning bearish. There's just no good news until they announce an actual for a legit official ceasefire. Any kind of headline you see that feels like good news is just posturing and is just each side trying to gain leverage in a PR war over the other. That's all it is. So until an official ceasefire is announced, I'm going to try to sell every pop because this war is going to drag on. There's a potential that we put boots on the ground. And if that happens, this thing gets even uglier than it is already. It's not going to be pretty. My plan is if Trump's talking, don't be in a trade. Sit on my hands. And if he says anything that gets a big pop, I'm going to try and sell it. You learned drums because your drummer would pass out as a diabetic? Oh my gosh. At least that's better than him just getting hammered, passing out in the middle of a song because he got drunk.
Paying every price. Late night, staring at a chart that don't
I'm waiting for the China shoe to drop. It isn't going to be good. Yeah. If China gets involved, if China decides, hey, the world is distracted, Putin's in Ukraine, Trump's in Iran, why don't we just go into Taiwan? That's when the poo-poo really hits the fan. Nice, Skydoc. I like it. Great dad joke. Oh yeah, we're still doing the boot camp. I forgot all about it. All right, let me grab the users. We're doing 4 boot camp giveaways. I'm just over here talking. We're doing 4 boot camp giveaways. I forgot all about them. Thank you for that reminder. Somebody typed in boot camp. All right. We already gave away 36 boot camps. We're giving this will be 40. This will be 40 boot camps after this giveaway right here. So we're gonna spin the wheel for 4 more boot camps. Thanks to the generosity of our incredible viewers and Rocket Scooter community members. Winner number 1 is Auctioneer K9S. Auctioneer, type something in chat. Let me know you're here. You're the first winner of our boot camp giveaway. Auctioneer, are you here? Rigged. Type something in chat, Auctioneer. Let me know you're here. Yo, all right, sweet. Auctioneer is here. All right. We're going to take you out of the list. We're going to shuffle it up, and we're going to go for winner number 2. Hold on, I'll give you instructions in just a minute how to claim your prize. Winner number 2. Winner number 2 is Brett Mitchell K. Brett Mitchell K. Congrats, you're winner number 2. Type something in chat. Let me know you're here. After this giveaway, I'm going to play my new song again because it's so freaking good. I want to hear it again. Brett Mitchell K, are you here? Type something in chat, please. I'm going to give you about 20 seconds, my friend. Auctioneer, thanks, man. I love you. Thanks for being here. You gotta play your song? We'll play the 7 to 10 song. Yeah, we'll play that one again. Brett Mitchell K. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. I identify as Brett. 3, 2, 1. Taking him out. You're gone. You're gone. You lost your chance. All right, winner number 2 coming in. Here we go. You do not have to be a member of Discord. You can buy the boot camp and take it. You don't have to get a giveaway. You can buy it on your own. Nas Trader Prop, congratulations. Type something in chat. You can get onto the Discord, and there are some public channels like Slacks is saying, but if the boot camp opens up a lot more Discord channels as a member of the boot camp community. And you can buy that. I'll put the Slacks or one of the mods. If you could put the Rocket Place website in the chat. If you don't win, you can go buy one for $20. If you don't win. Nas Trader Prop, are you here? I took so long that people probably like went away. I took too long. I forgot. I just totally forgot about it. Nas Trader Prop, type something in chat. Let me know you're here. Took you a bit to figure out how to get it set up, but wasn't too hard. Time to dive into the boot camp. Let's go, buddy. I'm glad you won one. All right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You gone. Still looking for winner number 2. Still looking for winner number 2. The winner number 2, Touch of Gaming. Touch of Gaming. Oh, is Naz here? Oh, frick, I'm on frickin' top chat. Was he here? I've been on top chat all night. Oh, my bad, dude. My bad. My bad. All right, winner number 3 was Touch of Gaming. Winner number 3 is Touch of Gaming. All right, sorry, Naz. My bad, bro. Slacks, thank you for catching that. I wasn't on live chat. That was my bad. All right. Touch of Gaming is winner number 3. I see you. He's here, so we can take him out. All right, winner number 4. One more spin. One more spin. He's blind. No, I didn't have it on live chat for some reason, and yours didn't come through. But I switched it over, now I see you. The Prophet Guru X, winner number 4. Slacks is very much underpaid. Whatever he's making, it's not enough. The Prophet Guru X, type something in chat. Congrats, you are winner number 4. Prophet Guru, type something in chat. Let me know you're here, buddy. There you go. There you go. All right. Congratulations. All right, winners, go into the Discord. You can find the link to the Discord in the description of this video. You're going to go into the contest channel in our Discord. You're going to message Slacks, send him a screenshot of your YouTube ID, let him know you won the boot camp, and he'll hook you up. All right. Congratulations, guys. Thank you so much, community, for the way that you guys have shown up again tonight with 40 freaking boot camps, man. 40 freaking boot camps. That is crazy. I want to push the short button again. I want to sell. I kind of want to sell this again, but sorry, I'm just looking at some messages here, making sure that I'm all caught up on what I need to be caught up on. All right, I want to play my new song. I played this song earlier. If y'all weren't here earlier in the night, we debuted a world premiere that I think might be my new favorite song that I've written. It's called I'm Still Here, and it is, I don't know, man, it just hits me in the feels every time I listen to it on like repeat today. It just reminded me so much of what I've been through and some of the struggles, some of the critiques that I've heard from people that know what I'm doing, and they're like, why are you still doing this? It's not working out. When I make bad decisions and I tell myself, what are you doing? This is dumb. You know, all the lies that we tell ourselves. And this song is called I'm Still Here. And it's, man, I don't know. I just think it's really good. I want y'all to listen to it. I'm not going to get in. If the next time I get into a trade would be another long up above HP, that would be the next opportunity for me to get into a long from here. I would short back somewhere up around HP right now. So until then, I'm just going to sit on my hands and we're going to listen to this. This is called I'm Still Here. I think this is my new favorite song. I hope y'all like it. Listen to the lyrics.
Yeah. You ever sit there? Know exactly why it happened. Still do it anyway. Yeah. Blew it again. I ain't say a word. Stared at the number like, nah, that's absurd. Knew what I did, yeah, I knew what it cost. Knew I regretted the second it's lost. No one to blame, I can't shift that truth. Just me and the proof, yeah, me and the proof. Said I'll fix it, I done said that before. That's what it is, yeah, that's what it's for. That's the part that'll mess with your head. Not the losses, the lies you said. They say you done, I'm still here. Said he won't last, I'm still here. Seen this before, I'm still here. I'll live that, I'm still here. They say you done, I'm still here. Said he won't last, I'm still here. Seen this before, I'm still here. I'll live that, I'm still here. Next day woke up, didn't feel that drive. Almost shut it down like I tried. Hovered on the edge like what this proved. All that time spent just to lose. And not that same loop, not that same regret, not that same version I ain't be yet. So I slowed it down, yeah, I cut that size. Had to learn control, had to kill that pride. Every loss now got a lesson in it. Every move got intention in it. They say you done, I'm still here. Said he won't last, I'm still here. Seen this before, I'm still here. I'll live that, I'm still here. They say you done, I'm still here. Said he won't last, I'm still here. Seen this before, I'm still here. I'll live that, I'm still here. It wasn't the market, it was me. Every time I broke my rules, every time I knew better and didn't do better, that was me. But I didn't leave. They said you done. They say you done. I'm still here. Said he won't last. I'm still here. Seen this before. I'm still here. I'll live that. I'm still here. They say you done. I'm still here. Said he won't last. I'm still here. Seen this before. I'm still here. I'll live that. I'm still here. I'm still here. After all that noise, after all that doubt, I'm still here. I'm still here.
Oh gosh, man. Every time I hear that song, I'm just like, it just gets me, man. I don't know why I'm in that mood right now, but if you're struggling, if you've had a crappy trading day, or you've already had a crappy trading night and you're still here, that's it, dude. You're still here. You're still here. If I could get that message out to all you traders that are struggling, passing evals, if I can get a message out to you traders that keep blowing up accounts or keep making the same mistakes over and over again, to all you traders that are out here, that are here tonight, right now, that are sitting here and you've got a girlfriend or a wife or a husband or a boyfriend or a friend or a coworker, and they're like, are you still doing that? You're still not making money. Why are you still trying to make this work? Like I'm still here. That was my story for so long. Y'all don't know the grind. I mean, some of you know the grind. Years and years of just failing over and over and over and over and over. And I'm still here. So I hope that song freaking speaks to you tonight, because It freaking spoke to me all day today. Like, it just kept reminding me of my journey, the grind it takes. I'm still here. I blew up an account. I'm still here. I lost a funded account. I'm still here. We're not going back. We're not giving up. We're still here. So I hope you guys like that song. It's become my new favorite. Look at this. Kevin, Saint 909. I'm still here. For those of y'all still here, look, we just had 2 more boot camp donations come in. That's 8 more boot camps. It's incredible. Gosh, you guys are insane, man. Woo outside, I'm still here. Yep, I'm still here. If Neon's phrase is the room shows up, maybe mine should be I'm still here. Like, I don't know, man. It's just a mantra that you need to tell yourself. You've got to be able to stop criticizing yourself. You got to be able to stop putting shame and guilt on yourself. You're still here. You're still in the chat. You're still in the community. You're still taking the boot camp. You're still learning. You're still growing. You're still here. So don't get down if you blew up an account today. You're still here. It's fine. Your value is not in your P&L. Your value is not in how many funded accounts you're trading. Your value is not in whether you're green today or red today. You mean more to us than just any of that. So, I don't know, man. I think that's my new favorite song right now. Don't give up. I've had that thought of maybe I'm not cut out for this, so I love this message. It's Burns Trades. It's hard, man. This is a hard business. It's a hard business, and you're not alone. You are not alone. Rogan Lamb, thanks, buddy. Thank you. Thank you. You're not alone. None of you are alone in this, all right? Not one of you. We're all in this together. We're all going to have good days. We're all going to have bad days. And the beautiful part about this freaking community is that we show up for each other. We're here to help each other. We're here to teach each other. We're here to inspire, motivate, and encourage each other. Just show up. Just show up. Just be here. Don't go away. You can only fail if you quit and you give up. That's it. I was listening to my song and I missed my entry, but that's freaking okay. I don't care. I don't care. I'm still here. We got 8 more boot camps to give away, guys. We got 8 freaking more boot camps to give away. Slacks is somewhere rolling over like, turn the stream off. Tuck them in. Tuck them in and say goodnight. Turn the stream off. Sorry, Slacks. All right, we got 8 more boot camps. What about Matt's match? Yeah, so for every that was Kevin donated 2. Kevin, did you donate 2? He did. Oh, Kevin donated. I thought it was just 1. Kevin donated 2 boot camps. Saint 909 donated another one, so that's 3. That's 12 more boot camps. Holy crap! Oh my gosh. Okay. God, I wish I would have caught that short up there, but I was in my feels, man. I was in my feels. I know that there's traders that tune in every night. They've had a shitty day. They've blown up an account. They lost a funded account. They were close to passing. They were close to an eval, whatever it is. And they just need to tell themselves, they need to hear someone else tell them, you're still here. You're still here, man. Tomorrow's a new trading day. Next week is a new trading week. The market isn't going to go anywhere. Take a breather, take a step back, and realize you're still here. All right? We're going to listen to Kyle's song that he wrote for me and for this stream called 7 to 10. And while we're doing that, if you want to type in boot camp, go ahead and type in boot camp into the, it's still capturing. So type in boot camp. It's still capturing. If you've already typed it in, I'm not going to take your name off the list. I'm just going to keep it on there. So we'll leave this up. These are all the original names. I'll just add to it all the other names that come in here in just a minute. So if you were on this list already, if you look on the screen and you see your name already in here, you don't have to type it again. That's fine. But if you're new and you didn't get your name in the first time, go ahead and type it in again. We're going to give away 12 more boot camps. Insane tonight, bro. 52 boot camps tonight. 52 boot camps tonight. Prophet Guru, he just won. I can take his name out of there. I know that. 52 freaking boot camps tonight. That's insane, man. Oh, gosh. I'm blown away by you guys. All right, let's listen to Kevin's song while you guys are doing that. 7 to 10. Bogdan Rusu says, I'm still here. Tomorrow going to ask for a payout. Let's go, baby. Kevin, your song. No, I said Kyle. I am liquidity is Kyle in his handle. I am liquidity. Kyle. Did I say Kevin? I meant Kyle. If I said Kevin, I'm sorry. I meant Kyle. 100%. I'm sorry. My bad. Requested payout on my Lucids tonight, $1,200 between the two. Dang, dude, let's go. Have $125 away from a 1,000. All good. Don't be a dick about it. Yeah, dude. Congrats, dude. GG's. That's fantastic. I'm so happy for you. This is a really good tune, man. I'm gonna have to download it and add it to my I can't add it to my Rocket Scooter, but I have another playlist to pull up other songs. I like it, dude. Way to go. I need to play Frasers. I haven't played Frasers in a while. That's also a really good one. I need to play Frasers again. Yeah, this market is nuts right now. Man, that would have been such a great little sell up here. I wanted to push the button. I was giving some motivational, inspirational messaging. Missed my entry. All right, we got 68 new users. All right, I'm gonna copy all the names that are in that. You guys can stop typing. We're gonna add in all of the new names to the names that are already here. I know that some of the names that I know the 4 winners' names are still in here because they're from the last set. Let's see if I can grab them. I know that one. Who was the other? Where were the other ones? Auctioneer. And I don't know who was the other one. I don't know. Whatever. It's fine. All right, we're gonna shuffle it up. No, why am I spinning? We have 12 names. We need to do Chat GPT. I'm not spinning. We're not spinning 12 times. We're going to do Chat GPT. We're going to do Chat GPT. All right. So I know it's crazy, but we had more donations come in and we need to select another 12 winners from the list below with a new script. Where's my other favorite song? All right, Chad, this thing has turned into a full-blown avalanche. More donations just hit the system. Boot camp doors just swung open. Rocket Scooter AI. Oh my God, I forgot to delete Rocket Scooter AI. Take off Rocket Scooter AI and add a new name to the list. Oh my gosh, so dumb. All right, new names. Skydog Drops Trades. Drops Trades. What the heck happened to my YouTube stream? What the heck happened to my YouTube stream? Skydog Drops Trades. It's Burns Trades. Profit Guru. Oh my God, I didn't take his name out. Ichimoku. RRR Trades. Skeletor. Andrew Trades. Britton Gallagher. Ash Takes Trades. Jim Bob Trades. Naz Trader Prop. Okay, I gotta take out Naz Trader Prop and the Profit Guru. Take out Naz Trader and the Profit Guru and add 2 other names to the list. All right, here we go. Skydog Drops Trades. It's Burns Trades, Ichimoku, RRR Trades, Skeletor, Andrew Trades, Britton Gallagher, Ash Takes Trades, Jimbo Trades, Nick, and Wafitos. Congratulations. Drops Trades. What, do you want your account or do you want to give it to somebody else? You still here? Sometimes he wants to donate it specifically to someone. Other times he just says re-roll. So he may want it. I don't know. He may want to take the boot camp. Drops, where you at, baby? If he doesn't answer, I'll just re-roll it. To claim your prize, guys, you're going to go into the Discord, the Rocket Scooter Discord. You can find the link to our Rocket Scooter Discord in the description of the video below. You can find the link to our Discord. Go into the contest channel. Go into the contest channel and message our admin named Slacks. Let him know that you won one of the boot camps. Send him a screenshot of your YouTube ID so he knows that there's no funny business going on and you are who you say you are. And Drops is passed out. He's had one too many pickles. So yeah, message Slacks in the contest channel. You can find him in the Discord. Let him know you won. Send him a screenshot of your YouTube ID and he'll hook you up. He'll hook you up with the how to claim your boot camp. From the dark to the dream. It wasn't overnight. Man, what a freaking great stream again tonight. I'm gonna stay on for I'll stay on till the bottom of the hour. If he shows back up, I'll let him pick. If not, we'll just spin the wheel one time and see if we can, or I may just save it for tomorrow. If he's not here, I'll let him decide tomorrow, because he'll be here tomorrow. He's always here. He's pickled. He's pickled. Can you not add someone? I can download it from Discord and then upload it to mine. But I'm wondering if I do that, if it's going to recognize that it actually belongs to you, since it was already made in Suno. So I don't know. I've never tried to upload someone else's Suno song to my Suno playlist. So I'm not sure exactly how that's supposed to work there. Heidi Go Seek. I don't know. I maybe. I wanted to take this trade up here, but I was given a speech. I've already taken 2 trades tonight. This was going to be my 3rd, and I just missed my entry there. Back down to VWAP. You know, if we get one more push up, I would be interested in taking another sell. I think I've been wanting to sell any pops tonight. I've been trying to sell all the pops. So you published the 7 to 10 one. Okay, so if it's public, I might be able to add it. I'll try after. I'll look at it tomorrow and see. I'm happy with the green that I have right now. Like I'm not gonna be like eager to take another trade if it's not from a really good location. So what the heck? Hey, thanks so much for being here. There's an option in the song menu to add to a playlist. Oh, so any song that's in Suno, I can add it to my playlist, whether it's my song or not. Okay, cool. I've never tried to mess around with that, so that's good to know. Icy Hawk Gold, I haven't looked at it yet tonight. Had a nice little pop. Let's see, this was Monday pop, this was Tuesday pop. I mean, I don't know, dude. Gold is it's a commodity, and I don't really feel like it is driven by price action as much as it is by public fundamental sentiment, and so kind of hard to say exactly what's going to happen with gold. I hate to give any opinions on it, honestly. I mean, you're starting to make higher highs, higher lows, so I mean, maybe slightly bullish overall, but I mean, I'm not your professional gold trader by any stretch of the imagination. ES is breaking below its VWAP. Oh, look at this drop, dude. Gosh, kind of makes me sick to my stomach that I missed that sell. Oh well. I'm not gonna chase from here because it's coming back down into the middle of this kind of congestion zone where we've had support and resistance all throughout here. I don't want to just chase it. That's why I wanted to sell from above that area. I just missed my initial entry there, unfortunately. What's your I am liquidity, Kyle? What's your Suno username? If you put your Suno username, or I can even just search. I could probably just search the song, maybe. I don't know, but I know I can search. I know I can search like usernames. I could find your username and get it. I mean, the only other way I could frame this trade out right now would just be maybe a little pop back up. I mean, I could try to take one more stab here. Right off of VWAP. See if we get a drop off of here. See if we can get down into the 320 level maybe. That would be kind of nice. Hey, y'all see this, right? You see that, right? I was waiting for somebody to put it in there. I was waiting for somebody to put it in there. Wig tickler, baby. See if we can get a push through these lows. Like to see a push through these lows happen. You love this channel? Always good vibes. Yeah, man. Thank you so much for being here. We love having you. No, I got to get to 1250. I need $225. No, $325 to pass. 1250 is the profit target on this. Where's that Pro-Yo guy? He was wondering if I was going to take any more trades. I'd like to see one more push down under these lows. At least 330. If we could get to 330, I would close it. Trollio is gone. Is he? Did he leave? Oh, that's unfortunate. I tried to get him to stick around.
See what happens.
This support zone in here is not a pleasant. It's gonna have a hard time getting through here. There's a lot of buying and selling pressure all throughout here. It's gonna have a tough time getting through here. There we go. Come on. Come on, dump it. If we get to 330, I'm gonna cut it. Right down here at this, near this wick. I'm good with that. Just a little scalp, little scalpage. Wick tickler, baby. 377 on the night. 3 for 3. I'm good with that little scalpage. We got in at the wick 346. That's about 15 points. Wick tickles only, baby. Wick tickles only. I like it. I like it. I like it. 3 for 3. I think this is going to go lower, but I'm so close to getting off the stream and going home and taking a shower and cuddling up with Lady Darb that I don't. Oh my gosh! Are you freaking kidding me? Oh God! Whoa! Let's go, dude. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Holy crap. That's fantastic. Analysis is on freaking point tonight. Analysis is on freaking point tonight. I definitely don't recommend that you copy trade me. I'm super happy about how it tickled your pickle. 30 contracts? What the hell? You took 30 contracts? Oh my God. What was the bottom tick of that? 316. Did you get filled? Did you get filled on that? Did you get filled on that, Kyle? Shit, yeah, let's go, baby. Talk about tickling a wick. There you go, guys. 30 freaking contracts. If I'm gonna set out my tip jar. Holy, what is happening? The tick tickler? Yeah. Fraser, you got a new song? Let's go. Let's hear it. Today is a good day. Today, oh, tick by tick. Dude, look at this graphic too. Look at that graphic. That's sick, dude. Look at Fraser's graphic. The battle of trading futures. Dude, that is nasty. Woo! I like it. All right. Let me get this song up. I love that graphic, dude. That is nice. All right. Tick by tick. Fraser. Guys, if you want to write your own AI tunes, we have a song submission channel that you can put them all inside of, and we can all enjoy them together. Cricks Ale, yeah, we're most of us are prop firm traders in here. And it just, dude, look at NQ just die. Was my analysis not on freaking point tonight? Oh my God. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, I love it. Crixel, I'm trading with Lucid right now. So if you're new to futures, Lucid's a great. They have a very cheap Flex account that you can, if you use code Rocket Scooter, you can buy their 25K Flex account for $70. My Funded Futures is also really good for new traders. They have some really good beginner plans. I think those two would probably be my first two options for beginner traders that are new to futures. Both of them, they have very good low cost barrier entries. Easy, they're smaller on the account size, but great to learn on and just kind of get a feel for how futures works. I will say this, Crixel, if you're new to futures, I would highly recommend that you take the boot camp from Rocket Scooter. It teaches you all about trading futures, trading in general, and using the Rocket Scooter platforms. This is a beautiful sell-off. Holy mother. Holy mother, look at ES. Crushing through MHP, heading for yesterday's low. NQ is just melting. I don't see anything on financial. There's nothing on financial juice come out that I see. I'm refreshing just to be sure that I'm not missing anything. I'm not still short. I hope you guys are holding, man. I was about to tuck you all in and sign off. I was about to tuck you all, so I closed my trade because I was about to say goodnight. I don't see any news. I don't see any news. China Central Bank injects 224 billion won. Taiwan interbank rate. Nvidia supported startup Reflection gets a $25 billion valuation. South Korea President Lee urges citizens to reduce electricity to save energy. There's nothing else that I see going on anywhere on financial juice. Oh my God. What a freaking beautiful call. I wish I was still in this, obviously. I was about to close. I wanted to just go to bed and then look at that. Dang. Do I buy MHP? Do I buy MHP? There's a lot of, I mean, comparatively, there's a lot of volume on that sell-off. For the Asia session, that's the highest volume of the night on that last candle. Wow, do I try to buy MHP? Instant upgrade, yeah. That's the nice thing about Lucid. If you pass, you get instant upgraded. My Funded Futures also now has instant upgrade on their accounts as well. Dang, this is crazy. 97.50 across all accounts. Let's go, baby. GG's. Good job. Is oil pumping? Did something must have happened with oil or something happened? It hasn't hit financial juice. Is there anything on X? Do you guys see anything on X about this? Do you guys see anything anywhere that I'm missing? None of my news sources are showing any kind of news, but oil's pumping. ES and NQ are just melting. I kind of want to buy MHP. I kind of want to buy MHP right here. This may be a bad decision. Great song, Fraser. I love it, baby. MHP is typically an every single time play, but this was such a dramatic sell-off. There was a lot of volume behind that. I don't know if this is actually going to end up playing out. This could melt another 50 points. If it busts through MHP strong, I just probably shut it down. There it goes. Whoa! Whoa! I'm cutting that. MHP was not the play. Gave back a little green. It's all right. It may still pop up on MHP, but dang, this is some serious selling pressure. This is serious selling pressure. ES approaching. ES just took out Wednesday's low. Tuesday's low is way down in DD band. Oh man, I feel like I might have cut that a little too quick. I think I cut that a little too quick. I didn't look at ES. Dang it, I think I might have cut that just a little too quick. I'm not gonna do any more tonight. I'm happy with the green that I got on the board. MHP may hold up here and get a little bounce. That was a nice rejection overshoot. 25 points back up to Wednesday's low. It's kind of what I was looking for initially, and it may actually end up getting to Wednesday's low again, just a little retest of Wednesday's low. It could just keep melting, and that's what I want to protect the profits that I've already made tonight. So I'm very happy, very, very happy with that. Tuck us in before we all lose our accounts. Oh my gosh, what a freaking stream tonight. What a freaking great stream. Wick tickler, baby. Yeah. That was such an aggressive, and then it's still going. I think it could still go down. I would not be trying. I don't have any interest in any more action tonight. I was kind of wanting to see that kind of sell off on my first sell. I don't know what's going on, but I don't know why it's declining so rapidly right now. I say rapidly. That was I got in at 346, 100-point drop. And that looks really big on the Asia session. 100-point drop in the Asia session is massive. In the New York session, that's just every other 5-minute candle. Yeah, this could definitely still be going lower. All right, guys, I think that's going to be it for me tonight. What a great freaking stream again. We gave away, let me see the final count, 52 boot camps. Because of the incredible generosity of the Rocket Scooter community. We gave away a Fund the Next 25K Rapid account. We gave away a TPT 50K account. We had a great time just hanging out with everyone in the chat, as always, per usual. Don't forget a couple of things before I tuck you in. Don't forget to watch Matt stream in the morning. He's going from 100K to $1 million. He's already up to $500,000 over the last couple months. Don't forget to watch Neon stream in the afternoon, and I will be back tomorrow night for the final stream of the night shift for the week, since the markets are closed on Fridays and Saturdays. So I'll be back tomorrow night with you guys. I'm looking forward to it as always. If you're green tonight, man, just get tucked in bed, turn the lights off. You know, you're still here, baby. I'm still here. You're still here. Let's go. Man, what a freaking great night. What another freaking great night. Great Asia session. Good trades. Good structure. Good execution. Good vibes all around. I am so incredibly grateful for each and every one of you. I'm so incredibly humbled that you continue to show up night after night after night, supporting the show, supporting Rocket Scooter, supporting each other. There's no other place I'd rather be for 3.5 hours than right here with you guys. So thank you so much. It's time for the night shift to clock out. It's time for me to tuck you into bed and wish you all sweet dreams of green. And let's play the greatest song ever.
Screens are off, orders thin, final.
Kevin, thank you, man. You are the boss tonight, man. Give Lady Darb an extra hug tonight. You bet I will. Absolutely. Have a good night. It's Burns Trades. Good night. Brad Petty. Have a great night. Thank you. Woo Outside. Good night, friend. Ash Takes Trades. Good night. Mac Dabrowski. Go to sleep. Boomer Trader. Sweet dreams, man. Spencer. Sweet dreams. Fraser. Have a great night, bud. Icy Hawk. Good night. My travel journal. Good night. Good night. Modi Odu. Have a great night. Good night. Jay, Vivi, Andrew Trades, y'all have a great night. Mac Dabrowski, Alternator, Tony B, appreciate you guys. Lord Kick, sweet dreams. Edge Arbiter, have sweet dreams. Saint 909, thanks for the donations. Good night, bud. Moose Futures, good night. Jay, Kimberly Campos, sweet dreams, guys. Duarte Machado, good night, my friend. Adam Daz, have a great one. Slacks, go to sleep. Tech Consultant, good night. Mom Bucks, Dr. BJ, Touch of Gaming, man. Thank you guys so much for being here. You guys have a great evening. Sweet dreams. Hitcha, good night. Rondi Serrano, good night. I am Liquidity, man. Thank you so much, dude. I love having you in here. Have a great night. Boomer Trader, good night. Drops Trades, have a great night, man. We'll see you tomorrow.
Close the charts, power down. Good night, sleep tight. Sweet dreams of green tonight. Sweet dreams are made of green. Sweet dreams of green tonight.